Thank you for coming on in to the Crypto Lifer live stream. We got some crazy stuff going on. We got bake booming out. I got bake in this cup and handle. We've been talking about bake for a long time now, guys. Giving you bake, keeping you baked with the bake all day long. So, bake, man, about to break back to its all-time high. One of the biggest candles bake has ever seen in the history of bake. Unbelievable. Bake booming. About to crack all-time highs. Bake at 248. That is one of the biggest candles bake has ever seen. Actually, the biggest candle bake has ever seen since before. Yeah. Last night, my wife says she wants to. She gave me $1,000. I put it into bake for her. I turned at 40 cents. I turned it into, right, that 40. That's 6x, 6 grand, right? Last night it's 4,500, and she wants me to sell it all for SafeMoon. And she's like, I want you to sell it all for SafeMoon. And I tell her no 5 times. I'm tired. She rides me. I do it, and look what happens. Look what happens. Don't listen. Yo, I love my wife. She's the best. But honestly, come on, man. Like, come on, man. When you're the financial advisor of the house and you run the finances, and someone wants to FOMO into something, you got to tell them to calm down and leave you alone. I don't care. You got to just say, listen, I'm the man of the house. I run these funds. This is what it is. You know? I don't know. I don't think it was a smart idea, personally. I would never put $4,500 into SafeMoon. Never in my life. So, I don't know why. And why all of a sudden is YouTube making my thumbnail grainy. Yo, AJ15, bro, you're getting on my nerves, bro. I like you, but you're getting on my nerves, and I never say that, bro, because you're like scared all the time. You're like, where's the bear market? What's gonna take a deep breath, bro? Start doing research, man. Start doing research. You're asking so many questions because you're not doing any homework. You're not doing any research, man. I'm hard on you guys today. I'm gonna be hard on you guys. Like, you asking so many questions because you're not doing any homework, bro. You're not doing any homework, man. And I do so much homework and bust my butt every day. So when I see someone just kind of wanting free answers, I'm just kind of like, no one gave me free answers, man. Nobody. Do your homework. Find out if you should buy SafeMoon or not. Look at the charts. Look at what I'm doing. Study the charts. Sign up for a tutoring session. Get tutored. Maybe in a week from now, you'd know whether you should buy SafeMoon or not. Get your education. Get serious about your education. Go all the way with it. You know what I'm saying? Don't sit there and ask 100 questions every 5 seconds. You know? Yeah. If you're scared about bear markets, learn to trade the futures. See, there you go. Refinable, baby. Refinable. We're trying to get Refinable right now as we speak. It's not loading. I loaded the address here. It's 227. I have it in there. It's not going. Refinable. Max. Anyone able to buy it? When you coming to the rock? Soon, man. Soon. You a legend lifer. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for coming on in. A couple more minutes, bro. Come on, fine. We're right here. We're about to buy Finable. We got it. We got 2 BNB ready to rock. Could you please go over Trias and B Pro? We will. Cake, baby, cake. Pump that bunny, baby. Yo, bunny is just out of control. 3 minutes to release. I have it ready to go as well, but it keeps saying insufficient liquidity for this trade. We got 4 minutes before they go live. You can't buy because you're on V2. No, you got to buy on V2, bro. Nah. Don't sleep. You got to buy on V2, bro. That's why they did it. That's why they did it. You're spreading bad FUD, bro. You do not buy on V1. Everyone confirmed this guy doesn't know what he's talking about. You buy on V2. That's why we had to wait for V2 to be confirmed. I'm pretty sure, man. I could be wrong. I could be wrong, but I'm saying you should ride on V2, man. Buy on V2. Yeah, see? V2, baby. V2, man. V2, see? This guy's spreading FUD with his nonsense. I can't, I do too much research to have someone bounce in here and talk about V1 when we're all really trying to get on the same page. Let's get serious here, please. Please. All right. Can we get the likes up, please? To 100 likes, whatever we can get them up. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in. Slippage should be 49. We're talking about slippage at 49, guys. Who knows? I would keep my slippage at 1 and try to get it. I love the grid. Thanks, man. Lifer, how bullish are you on Sol ecosystem? With SLARM go as hard as cake? It's possible. I think there's a big chance it could. And I think Sol's amazing. Solana's going to have a big push up. And yeah, for sure. If the buy cycle is calling the top, which indicator calls the bottom? Does anyone in the chat know? Wake and Bake. But, yo, Bake booming. Doing its thing. Look at Bake just erupting. That was your sell-off there. 240, 250. Makes sense. Psychological support level. Everyone sells at the 50s. You might want to make it 1, right? Anyway, thank you very much. Appreciate that. Yeah, we love light. We talk about light all the time. Where do you see XCur going? I see XCur going to probably $20. How do you feel about XLM at the moment? I like XLM a lot. Just bought a bag. Did Zell get added to Gemini? Is that what boomed it? No, it had huge news. Zilliqa had huge news. Let me talk about the news Zilliqa had. Really cool news for Zilliqa, honestly. I'm going to post the news right now and show you guys what's going on. Zilliqa had some unbelievable news. Like mind-blowing, honestly. Like it's dealing with like soccer. Dude, watch this. Let me see if it's in here. I believe I posted it, or if I haven't, let me post it right now. Into my, I'm going to post it into the billboard room. Sorry, a little loud there. Post it into the billboard room. Hi, lifers. Today's a good day. Keep grinding, Chief. Thank you so much for Greg Zorak, and everybody here. Dino Vino, everyone watching on the live stream. Thank you for coming on in, sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. 1 minute for fine. Let's go, baby. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute for this to be live, guys. 1 minute for this to be live. They said make your slippage 49. That really freaks me out. You know, I'm only putting 2 BNB in here though. I just want to say, F the Ethereum mainnet right now. F the Ethereum mainnet. I tried to send $1,000. I put $200 in Shiba Inu. It turned into $3 grand, but I sold it right now for $1 grand. And I was gonna put the grand into Refinable. And so I got it already. I sent the money. It's waiting. It's still in limbo right now. Taking 20-30 minutes to send $1,000, dude. I will take Binance Smart Chain any day of the week, bro. I'm sick of waiting for my money. Like, Ethereum is getting me to the point where, like, when you really need something and you're trying to get it done, Ethereum has me at my wit's end, man. It has me at my wit's end. UBX paired with USD today on KuCoin and submit Binance listing. That's a big deal. UBX is going to be a big coin. It's going to be big. We've been looking at it, focused on it, talking about it a lot. UBX is going to go up very, very well. So we're waiting on the Finable right here. Refinable. Hey, Lifer, where can I get the fine address? Thanks, Crypto Greg. This is it right here. I just posted it in the group right there. That's why XRP is boss. Cake on cake. Is it true that Moonrat gives you BNB? That would be crazy if Moonrat did give you BNB. Shout out to Crypto Greg for the donation, man. $20 donation. Crypto Greg, man, you're the man, dude. Much respect. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Daddy, so when I was on a walk with Ruth, she got, I picked this for Mommy and it smells great. Smell it.
Oh my gosh, that smells so beautiful.
Make sure to hit the subscribe button and subscribe. And the notification bell.
Yeah, using Ethereum is the worst. Absolutely the worst.
It starts with a business mobile plan that helps you work on the go.
Oh, come on.
Business today. Great business starts.
I forgot that when you don't use the Brave browser, you got to hear. So we're going to switch to the Brave browser. Well, you don't have to hear ads. If you're using Google Chrome, you're going to have to hear ads. Sounds even better, really. Funny. All right, Refinable, go live, bro. It's not live yet. Come on, Refinable. I want to get this out the way so we can start the day. Twitter says it's released on V2. That's what it says, but it's not going for me. Let's see. I added it already, man. I added this thing already, bro. The woes. You guys watching the woes. Copied it from the same place I just gave it. Fine. 2 BNB. Nothing, bro. Nothing. Nothing for me. No action. No love. No love for the kid. No love for the kid right now. Nothing. Bake had the biggest candle in the world, bro. Daily candle. Not even a 4-hour candle. Look at the daily candle. 1-hour candle is exploding. Bake explodes, bro. Bake explodes. Right off. 147. Boom. Gone. Safe moon. Oh, please. 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 Nah, don't even do that right now. Don't even do that right now. Okay, 2. Unlock the wallet, which I did already. So they're saying it's like worth $250 a pop right now. I can only get 200 for $1,000. All right, I did it. I got the fine. Let's go. 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 All right, we did it. We got some fine. Bam. All right. It's expensive, right? I mean, I just paid $1,000 for 200 of them, right? So you just paid $5 a coin, man. Thing is $5 a coin already. This thing is insane. It's gonna probably erupt. I mean, now we should try to sell it immediately. Look. The transaction didn't go through yet. Let's see if it even did it. Oh, I didn't hit confirm. I did hit confirm. Come on, man. It's pending. All right, went through. It went through. No, it's still pending now. Are we gonna get the fine or not? I don't know, man. This is crazy. Where are you guys tracking the price? How many Safe Moon and Pi Cycle super chats coming in today? All right, I did it, dude. I got it. I got it. I got fine. I can't believe it. I think just getting fine today is kind of an amazing goal here. $166. I got way less than I thought for $1,000. Damn, man. $166. Who knows? That was probably a bad move. We'll see what happens. Who knows? You take a gamble in life, right? So we took a shot. We bought some fine. $166 worth of fine. If it goes to $100, I mean, it's not even like, it's kind of not the best investment, honestly. Let's think about it. You have $166, and now it needs to go to $100 to make 16 grand. To 16x your money? I don't know, man. So it's got a 20x. I don't know. Yeah, SRK isn't a good. I agree with you. The price of fine kept going up. Did anyone get some fine with me? Are we only ones in here? Well, that's why I wanted to switch now and see if I sold the fine. I'll still get the 2 BNB. I want to keep doing this, and maybe I'll make some BNB on this. This song ain't doing it. Terrible soundtrack vibe flavor. You're not feeling the vibes. All right, second guy not feeling the vibes. Just chill summer beats, man. You know, just stay relaxed, you know. Just fun summer stuff, man. It's all like... What about positive smooth guitar jazz? That's kind of nice, right? This is what Muser will like this. Muser will feel this, right? All right, so check it out. Oh, look, 288 BNB. Now I make a BNB. So I made 500 bucks right now if I did the flip. So you're right, this is going up and up and up. We got in early, guys. We did it good. A lot of the other people are going to FOMO in now, and they're going to push our price up. We're going to be all right. We're going to be all right. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. We did it, man. We got fine, man. We got it. We got them. Okay, we got it, man. We one of the few people that got in, baby. We already made 30%. Look, we turned 2 BNB into 2.83 BNB like that in a second. And then Bake. Yo, Bake getting crushed right now. People selling their Bake off. Probably selling their Bake for fine. They're like, you know what? I'll get into fine with the Bake profits. You never know, right? You never know. But I wouldn't put it past anybody. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. This is for XRP Muser. He wanted that laid back guitar. And I said, okay, man. I used 49 on the slippage. I kept slippage at 1%, but I kept trying a few times. Fine with 1% slippage, I swear. I don't know how. Safe Moon, the next Doge, baby. Wow. Okay, really pushing it, huh? Interesting. Keep swapping back and forth and watch your money grow. That'd be interesting, right? Swap back and forth. Just swap, swap, swap. But look, it's down now. It would have been down now. That would have been funny. Swap back and forth over and over again. That's an idea. Watch it get bogged down, though, when you miss slippage. At hospital with Granny, and I'm still lurking. I know. You got to, bro. You got to. I'm fine with 1% slippage, I swear. You bought fine with 1%. Where's the fine address? I gave it to you guys. Right here. I gave it to you guys. I'm keeping you guys up to date, man. I'm keeping you guys up to date. I'm going to keep it rocking with the laid back. Okay. All right. So I had to start off with what is a cup and handle. If you don't know, now you know. If you don't know, now you know. All right. So check it out. Beautiful day to be in Cake and Bake. Beautiful day to be Cake, Bake, and Bunny. Our top 3 winners. And honestly, Cake has been one of the #1 gainers in the whole market. Hands down. Like we picked one of the top gainers in the whole entire market, right? So now there's insufficient liquidity to sell it. Look at that. Now there's insufficient liquidity. I'm going to put that back to 0.1% before I forget. Now look, insufficient liquidity for the trade. Interesting. My man, can you do a quick check on CHZ? Should be in, but my transaction is stuck in pending. Yeah, right now it's going to get bogged out. If you didn't get in that first minute and a half, 2 seconds. Oh, there it came back. Liquidity's back. Liquidity's back. It's nice to know I'm at least up from the very moment I got in. So, let's take a look at Bitcoin, my friends. Bitcoin. USDT. The elephant in the room, right? Okay, so check it out. Big green candles for big green candles. That's beautiful. Big green candles. I love seeing that on the daily. Strong, strong. Now we're holding strong daily support right here. Above 53,000. So $54,000 holding strong support. Doing its thing. Doing its thing. Okay. What do we see here? What we talk about all the time. Well, is the price in a bullish pattern? Yes, it's in a falling wedge that breaks up 68% of the time. So right off the bat, the price is in a bullish pattern. It should break out, and it did break out, and it should get all the way to the all-time high, right? How do you get the length of you take the pole, top of the price to the bottom of the price, swing it over here, and it should break its way on out and back into this pattern. And then we could even extend this and say, you know what, it's just in this. It's in a bull flag. It's just in a bull flag. Kind of a wedge, a broadening wedge bull flag. But yeah, this is cool with me. And look, we're pointing up on the stochastics, we're pointing up on the MACD, and we're pointing up on the and we even have a little bit of, yeah, we had bullish divergence established on the 4 hour as well. was clear right there. Giant bullish divergence. Look, swing down to swing down here. But the price. So if you understand your divergences, we didn't sweat the small. Everyone else was saying Bitcoin's going to 35K, all this nonsense, right? That's why I put it in the title, scare people, because I know they're worried and they don't know what to do. So you're like, okay, get on in, right? And now gonna break on up. But this is even pattern trading. Just pattern trade it from the bottom of the pattern to the top of the pattern. That tells me we're gonna get a new all-time high, possibly a Bitcoin, or at least getting to the all-time high. Could get rejected and come back down. We never know. But so far, I'm gonna say one way to go is up. 4 hours a little oversold though, which worries me. It's pushing to the upside, might get a little more upside, but it looks like we're gonna get rejected by 57,000. So the 4 hours suggests that 57,000 is the rejection zone, that we don't get past that. All right. I wish Soj Space Hoj would pump. I actually believe in the project and not as a meme, because it really does something amazing. I agree with you, man. I agree. Crypto Lifer, thanks for the gems. Greg from Brooklyn, I got you with a tip. You could buy an asset on pancakeswap with 1% slippage. Just add zeros in the token you were buying. Yeah, we've done that many times, man. I've even talked about it in a video. Thank you, though. I appreciate that. We know about the tip, man. We know about the tip. I wasn't going to play games with Refinable, though. I wasn't going to start playing games. You know, I wasn't going to do that. I was going to get my Refinable and be on my way. I would like to know if whoever else bought, did you guys pay less or more than me? Moon and Save Pipple, next 100 coins. Opportunity to take photos of the universe with a telescope through a phone app. I mean, come on. I agree, bro. I agree. I wish Soj Space could pump. Yeah, I believe it would pump too. I would love it to pump. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream. Thank you for jumping on in, guys. But that's just because I'm a space nerd for Soj. So am I, man. I think it's an amazing project. I think it's really cool. Any opinion on Blimps Rock? No, and I don't think I'm going to talk about it either. Okay, so let's take a look at Bitcoin USDT. So Bitcoin breaking on out, looking good. Right now, 4 hour does not suggest it's looking too good. So 4 hours suggests that we come back. And we're going to have to come back to some type of support. So hear my words. If you see 51K in the next 2-3 days, do not be surprised. All right? If you see 51K in the next couple days, do not be surprised. Refinable. It's got to be $5 a token. That's what I paid. I paid 5 bones, bro. I paid more than that, actually. The slippage got me. They actually got me hard. I paid 2 BNB, which is 575, right? Times 2. Divided by 166. I paid $7 a coin, so I got ripped. I got ripped off. I actually didn't. I had a bad feeling about doing this. I really did, man. Should have kept my money in the Shiba Uno. Should have just let everybody get into this, go crazy, right? But I think it's going to do well for a long period of time, and I could see it do a 10x. I mean, they all do a 10x, a lot of these big coins, so think about it, though. They let those people in at 3 cents on the pre-sale. Can you believe that? Right? That was the price, 0.03, 161x. If you got into the pre-sale, damn, man. You paid $7.33, yeah, so we all ended up paying $7. Damn, man, they got us, bro. I'm all in Tether short term. Got a feeling Bitcoin will retrace. That's a bad move, I think. But hey, it's good to move on the 4 hour, so you're all right on the 4. The daily suggests no. I mean, you're all in Tether when the daily's oversold. Doesn't make any sense to me. But hey, you do you, man. Kind of tells me that you don't have any technical analysis at all, like at all. Anyway, let's take a look at what's going on here. So on the 1 hour, it's coming to the downside too. So Bitcoin wants to come down. We can hope we get held by the 200-day moving average, but if we don't, it's a clear, easy move back to 51,006. That'll be fine though. That's just gonna tell us, you know what? We're done with the dump. You know, that's still gonna be a higher low, right? So as long as we're making higher lows, I'm super happy. Look, higher low, higher low. We come back down, make a higher low right there. Then we just need to make a higher high and continue our way up. But this is a new trend that's forming. And you can see downtrend, a new uptrend. So I like what Bitcoin's doing right now. The 1 hour and the 4 hour are not in our favor. Suggests that for the afternoon, Bitcoin goes sideways, or at least, and even possibly down. I got a pre-sale. This is what happened. I got a pre-sale that they said was going to be with a group, and then they told me it wasn't going to be with a group. So I got the group together, and then they said it wasn't going to be with a group. So what I did is I assembled a group, and the group that's in there, that's 20 people, you guys are just waiting for the next pre-sale, because I don't want to have to run around. Every time I get a pre-sale, they make me run around like really fast, like, oh, get, you know, do all this stuff. People panic selling NFT art. Should it bounce? Why do you ask me questions like, I don't know, guys. I love you guys, but I don't know everything. Maybe NFT art will bounce back. It's a shit coin. You bought a crap coin. Like, you bought a deflationary coin, man. Like, not something like Bake is a real coin. Cake is a real coin, right? These are real, like real ecosystems and whole, you know, beautiful stuff going on. Look, Bake for BNB, make 50% on your BNB today. Bake killing BNB right now, making 54% on Bake BNB. And then BNB's up too. So like, if you're in Bake, you're making money on BNB and BNB's going up. Bake is making you money 10 times to Tuesday, man. And look, we gave you this call right here. Buy the breakout of this level. Bam. This is BNB up. Look, I talk when the 200-day interacts near or the bottom of the pattern, pay attention. And look, we're getting coiled up right there. See that? And I said, get into BNB up right here. Damn, you would have made a killing. You'd have made a killing. I gave this trade on March 28th. Less than a month ago to make 300% gains on BNB. How about Polkadot, buddy? Haven't heard any updates about it. Thanks. Yeah. When the next pre-sale comes out, I'll let you know, man. Fine is 480, 1050 on pancakeswap. So it's actually more on pancakeswap. So guys, we should be, I think we're going to be all right. I think it's going to end the day around $20. I think we're all going to 4x our money on this. At least, at the very least. Look, 272, not bad, right? So at least we're up. We're up. We put in 272. I just love my BNB, man. I'm greedy for BNB. Like every time I see my BNB drift away, I'm always like, damn, you know. Now I sent some money. Via the Ether mainnet. We should call it like the non-functioning mainnet. Doesn't work mainnet. I sent some money like a long time ago, bro, from my MetaMask wallet to a Binance account. I sent some USDC, all right? And honestly, guys, it's been an hour now. Never made it. Never made it. Look, still pending. Still pending. A still pending transaction right here. Come on, Ethereum, bro. I paid high gas fees to send $1,000. Like, what are you doing? Like, look, I paid $14 to send $1,000. It never made it. It never made it. It never made it. Yo, and that was supposed to be to buy Refinable, so I didn't have to use my BNB, which was going up. I feel like everything's in shambles right now. I like BNB. I had 30 BNB. They're all over the place. I have no idea where they are now. Down to 2 BNB from all the times I'm buying BNB. And now Fine's back to 2 Fine. So not making a dime on that slippage. Anyway, we got in. We did what we could. You learn whenever you do anything. So we learn from the lessons in life. Right? It is what it is, man. It is what it is. That's why I love QuickSwap. Yeah, I'm trying it on my Samsung. Is that why? I don't know, man. Let's get those likes up. Support the lifer. Yeah, let's get the likes up. 129 people watching, 48 likes. I know I got best friends that didn't hit the like button. Tenacious Tim, you always seem to forget. Hit that like button, bro. Yeah, I'm going to get up into QuickSwap. I'm going to start using all these other swaps, bro. The presale token you mentioned, which one is it? Polka X? I didn't mention a presale token, and I didn't say anything about a presale, so I'm not discussing that. I want to get Fine already $7. I let it go because it already did a 200x since the listing. It's true, bro. It's true. It's true. Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for coming on in. We like Essentia here, and I hold Essentia. So yes, we hold Essentia, and I like holding Essentia. Okay, so Bitcoin right now on the update, just giving you a Bitcoin update on the day. What's going to happen? I believe it's going to go to the downside for the rest of the day. I think 55K was psychological, right? Got rejected by 55K on the dot, like 55,200, yeah. Got rejected. Also was the previous high right there. You see that? That was resistance. So we hit resistance. We're going to come back down. I believe we're going to test 51,300. We might even wick down because they love to scare you. They're like, you know, if we're going to go to 51, we want to go to 58. 50,008, I mean, 50,800, and give you guys a little bit of a scare. And then boom, back up. So, Tenacious Tim terming at that like button. You guys are hilarious. Muser reminded me I hit it. I wanted to get fined. Already $7. I let it go because it did a 200x since listing. Isn't that crazy? 200x. Climb Token Finance. We like Climb. We bought some Climb on the live stream recently. So yeah, so the 1 hour suggests we're going to the downside, right? Now, we could hold support here. So we're going to see this level. We hold 53,698. Would be amazing. Right now, we did get wicked off of 54K. So it's a good sign. But, you know, my general instinct and the idea of the charts telling us that we do want to come back down, right? There's a chance we test this middle level here because we do have one wick there and a wick pretty close to there. So we could get held up by 52,000. I bought it at 54,000. Should I hold? Again, you got to do whatever makes you happy. My idea is this. Watch me, learn what I do, and then use the skills to answer your questions. You know, and just sit there and ask me questions every 5 seconds. And I can tell you what I think I would do, but it might not be the best plan, right? Alpha got listed today, hyping it good. Fundamentals are nice on it. Alpha. But 54,900 right here on the call. Yeah, and we did the double bottom, which we talked about. We did the bullish divergence, which we discussed as well. There was bullish divergence here. There was bullish divergence there as well. 2 bullish divergences held us down. That's got us back into the pattern. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Is there a smaller trade on Bitcoin? You could look at a scalp, actually. So there's a scalp on the 15-minute. 15-minute wants to go to the upside, so here. And again, I don't like to trade the 15-minute too much. But if there's a slight trade on it, I'll take it. So look, Bitcoin's in one of these. All you can do is put a stop loss here at the bottom of the triangle, at the bottom of this pennant. If it comes back down, get in. Either get in now and put a stop loss down here, like below this line, or you wait for it to come down a little lower and get in at the bottom of the trend line. It's very simple. Then you just take the measured move and get out of the trade. Try to get to close to this measured move as you can at 56,900. So that's the trade. You enter Bitcoin right now. Stop loss right here at 53,008. All right. And then ride it up to this target right here. And I would even get out like a little before the target at 56.5, 56,400. Bam. I'd leverage trade it with no more than 1% of my portfolio or $100, whichever you're more comfortable with. $100 is fine. And you can leverage trade it. Make 90%. You can make $90 on the trade if it goes in your favor on the 15-minute. Only trade the 15-minute till it gets up here and then get out. That's it. That's the trade I would give you for Bitcoin today. It changes every day. That's the Bitcoin trade. That's all I'm going to say. And then if you want to get into Bitcoin, I would dollar cost average right now. Because we're oversold on the daily, which is a beautiful thing. And we're also oversold on the weekly, which is a beautiful thing. So 2 of the biggest time frames that hold the most weight, both telling you this is a great time to dollar cost average into Bitcoin. So there's an idea for you. There's a whole idea for you. Okay. So that's Bitcoin in a nutshell, guys. The weekly is oversold. I'll give you a longer target once we break out of this kind of flag that we're in. Bitcoin's going all the way up here, $115,000. So I'm calling for $100,000 Bitcoin, at least I say by June, man. We're going to see a big move in Bitcoin. So that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. We went over Bitcoin going sideways, I think, for the next couple days. Today's Tuesday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, going sideways. But hopefully by the weekend starts to rip again. The 4 hours suggests that we have at least 24 hours of resetting, and the 1 hour suggests we have at least 3 to 4 hours of resetting. So only scalp I would take was the 15-minute scalp, right? And anything from there I would watch and wait for Bitcoin to reset. But I would always dollar cost average into Bitcoin. I would always dollar cost average into Bitcoin. Always. Great idea. You know. Is it a good time to buy Bitcoin? Yes, every day is a good time to buy Bitcoin. OMG finally went through, waiting for confirmation. Slippage 15, only 80K to 1 BNB. I don't know what this dude's talking about. 80K. It's crazy, man. There's no way he got 80K for 1 BNB. I don't know what he's talking about. I love these people, man. They're making no sense. Like, you do all this research and then people just say nonsense. Like, it's just crazy to me. It's crazy. It is. It is. It is. It is. It's crazy. Damn, sitting where we bought it at. A lot of people are going to sell off, but it's crazy that even the sell-off that got the pre-sale. Sorry, 80. Look, he switched to 80. That's about what I got. I got 80 for 1 BNB as well. I got the same thing, so it's going the going rate. Okay, moving forward. Let me pop out the chat here. I've been looking at it in different places. Oh no, I got it out. I got it out. Opportunity to take. What's the hype surrounding Link recently? Link is just hot. Link is an oracle. Like, there doesn't have to be any hype. Link is one of the best coins in the game. You know, good morning. ETH looking great. Glad I held through all the FUD. Still waiting for that 20 ETH, my friend. I keep my word. You're going to get it. You're going to get it. Everyone's so bullish on Link. Yeah, I'm waiting for ETH to come back to 50 EMA on the 1 hour. It's way too overextended now. Let's see what you're saying. We're going to look at ETH, man. Take a look at Ethereum. All the fun. We don't go over ETH enough. Okay. ETH is pumping 2,600, doing its thing. All right. So we see ETH doing big moves. All right. Now, once ETH breaks this level, it's going to go parabolic, in my opinion, all the way to about 4,000. Right. It's going to break out hard. And right now, look at the weekly. Weekly is pointing to the upside. Really wants to move. So the weekly's in our favor right now for ETH, which is really, really good. The daily is also oversold after a pump, which is insane. Double bottom. So daily oversold. Okay. My man said he's going to wait for ETH to come back to the 50 EMA on the 1 hour. Let's take a look at what he's talking about there. So ETH continuing to make its move inside of this channel here. And up, down, up, down. That's a double bottom right there, too. Off of the 200-day moving average. Always talk about if the 200-day is in the bottom of the pattern, it's a great sign. Could ETH come back down here and test 2,100? There's a chance. Do I think it's going to happen? I honestly don't. I honestly don't. The chart conveys to me just a lot more, a lot more angled, push-up. But the 4-hour is oversold. Tells me we're going to have to come back somewhere. And so I'm going to choose this support region here. And we might kind of filter our way back down to about 2,360. ETH tends to give up its gains pretty fast. Like, not, you know what I'm saying? Like, it'll go to 1,900, remember? Back to 13 for a week or two. 1,900 back to 16 for a week or two. It doesn't like to crack the all-time high and kind of stay. It likes to touch it and then kind of hide away from it. We've seen it happen many, many times with ETH. So it tends to do what it does. You're going to say it goes back to the 50-day moving average on the 1 hour. Not much of a big move there. 2,460. That's a pretty smart conservative idea. I like what you're saying there. I like what you're saying there, Drew Durant. I'm going to agree with you on that. That would give it some support too, and that would coincide, look, with the support region that I put out, which is pretty uncanny. So now we have a little bit of confluence with each other's ideas, which I really like. Okay. Now, the MACD is about to turn up on the 1 hour, and we have room and momentum to go. So even though the 4 hour is a little spent, 1 hour wants us to go. So I think the 1 hour is going to crack us above the pattern. 4 hours is going to crack us back down. Hopefully we hold support for the retest and then break back out. So that's my idea. There's a chance that the 1 hour pushes us forward and we don't get the retest back here. Either way, I see the worst case scenario, 2,300, even maybe a 2,200 ETH, and then it's breaking all the way up to 4,000. So there you go. Yeah. Hey, Lifer, on the 1 hour and the 4 hour on BTC is coming down. Why do you think this is a good trade to enter now? Just saying, because I learned these I gave you the 15-minute trade, man. I give you a 50-minute scalp. I told you get in, get out. I gave you a scalp trade on the 15-minute. The reason why I gave you a scalp trade on the 15-minute is because hey, Lifer, on the 1 hour and the 4 hour on BTC is coming down. What do you think is a good trade yet? Check out Band. Kevin Gallagher. Shout out to Kevin, man. Haven't seen you in a long time, Kevin, bro. Shout out to Kevin Gallagher, man. One of the first people I used to chill with in the rooms with CBC, man, back in the day. Kevin Gallagher. Right, Kevin's name in there. That's how shot I am. All right, let's take a look at BNB. and Band. Band was in a giant cup and handle. I believe Band was about to break out to the upside, gonna do damage. Let's look at Band right now. So Band was in this giant. We go to the daily. Look, even the 3-day, even if I think I hit, but daily's even daily. We don't need to go to 3-day. But Band is in this beautiful cup and handle. It broke out of the cup and handle. I thought we were gunning all the way back to 31. Band doing its thing, hit 23. Band was really where it's supposed to be. Sold back down again. Someone is holding Band down. I do not know why. And they've been holding it down for a long time. While a lot of coins have 10x and 20x, I mean, Band did go from 1 to 20. So it did a 20x in the summertime. Came back all the way down to retest $3. I could not believe we saw a $3 Band. I really didn't. Would go from $3 all the way back to 20, right? Doing a 7x. And then came all the way back down. I took 75% on Bake today. It's a good idea, man. It's a good idea. I like that. I like that call. Yeah, take some Bake money off the table. Yeah, so Band, man, it's retesting this area here. I would almost open up this channel and say this is, you know, this is the cup and handle here. And now we got to break out of the handle again. We just got faked out back into the pattern. Let's see this do its thing and then break out again. I still see Band getting all the way to $31 out of this area. So let's see if we can change the trajectory now that we've like moved. Yeah, because we got a little bit of a higher price action. Price is also in a different place now. Yeah, we got a little more juice out of that. Tells you that Band go up 88% all the way to $35. Band was one of the biggest coins in the game. Speaking of oracles, Oraku had a nice retracement. Link Marine's eyeing it, so it's worth a look. I sold the pre-sale gains, but may buy again. Correct, antisocial. Bro, what's your forecast on Harmony 1 for the next 3 days? Yep, I'll get back in for sure. I love the BUSD pairs. There you go, man. There you go. So yeah, I see Band going up 86%. Let's take a look at BNB. BNB is gonna have to have a retracement, but it kind of has retraced a little bit throughout its move, and then it kind of got strong again. So BNB can do amazing things. 568. Look at BNB. It's flagging technically right there. I mean, it's your buy zone. Funny, I told you right here, aggressive buy at the bottom of the pattern, and when it came back down, that was the buy right there. I even gave you the buy zone right here, and I believe BNB is going to go all the way up to $1,000. So it's breaking out of my buy zone as we speak on the daily. Double bottomed, oversold, ready to rock. We also had hidden bullish divergence. This thing is ready to rock. So I gave you a call there at 500, 520, 530. You could have bought anywhere in this buy zone. Let me zoom in here for you, make it real big and apparent for you. But that's yeah, you get your MACD cross. You're kind of solid right now. Let's take a look at the 4-hour. 4-hour did the retest, came back down. That's the retest off the bottom of the pattern. That's what you want to see. So right there was your buyback at 544 and then 577. This thing is gone. There's really nothing stopping it. It has an ecosystem. It's ready to rock. Fine, it's oversold on the 4-hour. I think it will come up in here, come back down, retest this previous high somewhere in this area. I think it's going to dance around outside of the pattern on the 4-hour and then make its move, man. Yeah. BNB is easily going to be a $1,000 coin. Don't put a target after I put a target, Hadouken. You don't do that. I don't put a target and then you put a target out. That makes me look bad. Don't do that. All right? Trying to, like, it's like you're second guessing me. $1,000. And you know, I like to mess with you, Hadouken. But don't do that stuff. All right? Or else I don't want to have to, you know, put you on timeout, man. You know? All right. I mean, he's my admin. I say 1,000, then he puts another target above it. I'm just 1,000 BNB means $60 cake. Let's go. VeChain. Let's take a look at VeChain. No super chats yet today, guys. I work for a living, guys. I'm trying to make an hourly wage. Crypto Greg hit me up with the $20. Much appreciated. But we dry bones right now. We dry bones, bro. You guys trying to get free. Throw me a little bit of both. Throw me a little dough. If each of you guys could get me up to my minimum wage, it would be nice, right? People pray for free, man. Play nice. Thoughts on MoonBoys? BNB to 1001. This guy. There you go. Want me to ban him? Yeah, I think you should. What do you think of SafeMoon will be going on Binance? No, but Hadouken does that to me all the time. He's been doing that to me for like, I'll be like, target 60. He'll be like, I see 62.5. I like the insights, actually. Do you know Trading Life? No. You're awesome, bro. Thank you, Mike Miller. Shout out to Mike Miller, my dude with the $2.99 super chat. Much respect, bro. Thank you very much. Much respect. I think he's called Tino. I'm still watching this fine play out. Laugh my ass. Fine, man. I'm fine. How are you? I'm fine. I'm fine, okay? I'm gonna be fine. Everything's gonna be fine. Leave me alone. I feel like just selling it for the gains right now and then walking away. Buying back my Shiba Uno and setting everything back the way it should have been in the first place. When do you think SafeMoon will be going on finance? On Binance. I have no idea. I have no idea, man. No clue. All right, I talk about sushi a lot. I believe it's time to get back into sushi. I'm going to be putting a call out. XRP Muser, thank you so much for the super chat. My dude, man. My dude. Much respect. Much respect. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm just trying to make, 15, 20 bucks an hour, guys. That's all. I'm on here 2 hours a day. You see the super chats, right? What any deserving human being could get an hour, right? I'm just trying to get my hourly rate, man. Just trying to get an honest paycheck for an honest job, Giving you guys free calls that are more than likely going to make you a lot of money. So remember that. Highly likely. All my research, you're going to benefit from it every single day. Hardest working man on YouTube. What do you think cake support level is right now? That's a great question, and I'd like to answer that for you. So let's get into that. So sushi, I kind of extended that. Yeah, sushi getting all the way up here to $34. Remember, sushi busted all the way to 19, 20 bucks, 23 bucks. Had a bit of a retracement. All right, so we're going to look at what's going on with sushi right now. But I want to put this on your radar. I don't want you to forget your sushi. Eat your sushi, kids. Can you peep Doge? Yes, I can. Thank you so much for the $4.99 super chat. Much respect to you guys. Much respect. Thank you very much. Hey, ask and you shall receive, right? So look, double bottom here on sushi as well. Breaking on out. I like what we're seeing here for sushi. 4 hour is a little spent. So that's just what worries me. 4 hours a little spent on a lot of coins. Pancake might pass uni. Crazy, yeah. Tesla sold 10% of its Bitcoin holdings, essentially to provide liquidity as Bitcoin as an alternative to holding cash on the balance sheet. Yeah, see, think about it. They took all their money and they bought Bitcoin with it. And then they were like, all right, well, now we have no money. And we don't want to spend our Bitcoin. So what they do is they eventually just sell the Bitcoin to keep some money on the balance sheet. Tesla safe, building entire ecosystem with farming, games, hyper-deflation. Get in early. Tesla safe, man. Christine, do you work for one of these companies? Because you're always pushing a coin or two. Interesting. I think you're a shill, Christine. I do. I don't mind it that you're a shill. We need you guys in the industry. But I believe you are a shill. I want to believe you're a regular subscriber, but you're too, you tend to shill. But maybe not. I don't know. Let's get those super chats in. Lifer does so much for us. Pay it back for the good karma. Every comment, right? Yeah, she pushes it hard, right? Thank you so much for the $2 donation. Putting a little chip in my jar. Much respect. Sipping up the coins. Sipping up the coins. Is shilling okay? I mean, it's cool. We need them shill gains. You guys are funny, man. We do need the shill gains, though. We need those shill gains. Gains. Shill me, bro. Shill me. Super silly. Hey, Crypto. Shout out to Roge. Shout out to Latex Roach with the 99 every day, bro. Much respect to you, bro. Latentry boys, get in now. $1, $100 by the end of the year. We like lit. Smash those likes. Man, I might be holding this fine for a while. LOL. Shilling is kind of necessary. That's what I said. I'm not hating on her. But a couple shills, she's a bot. She might be. Save Tesla now. Tesla safe. LOL. These bubbles are real. I know, right? Fight over a nickel and turn it into steel wire. Funny. Can you take a look at Moon? You guys are stressing this Moon. What about Upland? All right, so sushi. Look what Sushi's going to do. I believe it can come back down one last time, test the bottom of the pattern. Right? You might get Sushi right here at like 11. I think anywhere between 11 and 13 bucks is going to be a steal for Sushi. An absolute steal. And then it's going to reclaim its all-time high and get all the way to $30. And there's also really good yields on Sushi. And Sushi Swap has been one of the first big swaps out there that kind of changed the game. So, Sushi Swap, man. Remember when it came out, it was like a big deal. Everyone was like, what is this? Now we're all kind of used to these crazy names and all this funny stuff. But at the beginning, we didn't know what was going on. Check out Radium.io and Step USDC LP pool under Fusion pools on there. I'm making crazy staking returns. 3,500%. Much respect. Lifer. Wow, Harry, that's awesome, bro. Let's take a look at that. And can we do a check on Elongate and how it's doing? Is it in a buy indication? Let's take a look at Elongate. We'll take a look at that. ETH taking off. Doing its thing. Can we check Swampy? Thank you, Lifer. Wow, a lot of super chats coming in, man. Now you guys are blowing up the cup. Blowing up the cup. Can we peep Doge? All right, let's slow it down now. Let's slow it down now. Not the super chats. Keep them coming, but I got to slow it down. All right, so you guys want me to go over Doge? Want me to go over to MoonBoys? All right. And I'm also trying to give my own personal calls throughout all this. Which, how the channel used to go, I used to just be here, no super chat, just banging them out, right? Giving free calls every day on the channel. The money has changed him. He's not the same. His head is blown up. Crypto Lifer thinks he's Mitch Ray now. Anyway, buy zone right here, right? I am furious right now at Ethereum. Furious. Like, they've locked up $1,000 for over an hour at this point. At this point, it's not going anywhere. And it's actually down. It's losing money. It was USDC. It was 917. Now it's 893. So how has it lost money? This is really strange. It hasn't left the wallet. And it still lost money. This is really, really, really weird. Hasn't even made it to a pending deposit. I did this the other night. It was easy. It must be Refinable. I think Refinable and all these people running around is bogging down the internet. Don't use ETH between 8 a.m. and like 12 p.m. I guess. Like, just don't use it. I mean, I can't believe I can't send money, bro. I'm starting to wonder if it got lost. And I didn't, because I can see the transaction. It's still pending for an hour and 16 minutes, and I paid the fastest gas fee. You know why? More people are spending $10,000 to $20,000. They don't care about my $1,000. That's not decentralization, bro. When the little guy gets pushed to the wayside, it's not. And so I don't know what's going on with ETH, but I don't know, man. It's crazy that they get to be king. And I'm never gonna like sell my ETH. Right? I know I still hold all my ETH and all this nonsense, but it just, come on, man. I was going to use that for Refinable. I guess not. Guess not. So ETH would have made Refinable not work. So look, at Refinable chose the BSE, and more projects that want. Look, if you're a project and you want to get off the ground, who are you going to go to? Ethereum? Right? So Target. Bam. There's my buy zone. Yeah, they got to clean those pipes out, man. They do, bro. And there you go, man. I believe Sushi's going to do some damage. So there's a call out here for Sushi. Buy zone. Cheers for cake and bake calls. Both doing damage. Appreciate all you do, bro. Anytime, man. Anytime, man. I'll lead you guys to the promised land if you listen to me. But sometimes you got to be patient. People that don't have patience, you know. It's funny, one of my friends had a friend who joined my group, or, you know, started watching me, and he goes, oh, that guy, his calls are whack. Because I would say buy cake round, you know, 1 inch now, and, you know, a few of them would just, like, look like the reef, just kind of taking their time. And then he watched a bunch of my plays explode, and he goes, wow, this guy's a genius. So he went from hating on me to calling me a genius, and being like, I think he's one of the smartest people I've ever seen. Like, he says the calls before the calls go on. You know, anyway, enough tooting my own horn, but it was interesting to see a hater turn into like one of my biggest fans. And it makes sense because if you're a newbie and you want big gains, you're going to come into my channel and you're like, oh, I want these gains. I want these gains. And then you're going to see me planning out these trades and planting seeds. And you're not going to make money at first. And you're going to be like, wait. Which is not true. I mean, some of them blow up the next day. We gave you a Bitcoin trade yesterday that boomed up literally in the next 10 minutes. It was a Bitcoin scalp trade. And it went right as planned. Right as planned. So yeah, if you join my Patreon, you get access to all these awesome calls, right? Tons of calls all the time. Like last night I said, look, I'm sitting there watching Bitcoin at 109. 314 people saw this. And I said, I said either buy the pullback down to this area or buy the breakout of this line. But this thing's about to get hot. And then look, a minute later, boom, it broke out the line. Like literally, we put the call out at 109. At 138, the thing had popped. 20-minute call, 30-minute call. So there's money out here in this group all the time, assisting you on your way, getting you through all this crazy stuff, man. And streaming 14 hours a week. Who is streaming 14 hours a week? Name them. Thank you so much, Crypto Greg, for the $5 donation, man. Always loving it, man. Crypto Greg, bro. We're going to get through all these super chats, man. Cheers for your DSLA call. Thank you so much, Crypto Greg. Appreciate that. And you know who's my DSA lover is Mix.Soul, my dude, man. I'll see you at 6 p.m. tonight, right? Whatever I got you on the schedule. We figured it out. But I got you on the schedule, and we went through it. All right. Can you peep Doge? You want me to look at Dogecoin? Here's a call for Sushi, though. I think Sushi's going to blow up and do its thing, man. I don't think the chart conveys Sushi's going to do some damage. So, can't wait for our tutoring session later. It's going to be amazing, bro. We're going to have a blast. I can't wait too. Traders streams about 20 hours. Traders reality streams about 20 hours. Yeah, but he doesn't make content. I make content on top of that. And he doesn't do tutoring. What's better, 10K spread out between big caps and small caps, or just all cake staking on bunny? I like to spread it out, man. I use one of Solana's wallets. It's called Solet and has a browser extension. That's pretty cool. I like that. Just you and Tino stream this much. All I listen to now is you guys. I study and take notes while projecting my charts. Who's Tino? Who is Tino? Been in DSLA since 008. Not selling until it hits $1. There you go. Damn, man, that's gonna be a nice payout for you, bro. 1,000x gains, more than 1,000x if we get that 0.02 initialized there inside. Can we get a cake TA? We will. You know I'm gonna go over cake. That would be a wasted super chat. No super chat is wasted though. Always love. All right, so the first super chat, we're gonna get through these super chats. First super chat right here is, you're awesome, bro, by Mike Miller. You're the man. XRP Muser for my dude. Much respect to you, bro. DeFi Tev, can you peep Doge? Let's take a look at Doge. And I'm talking about these BTC pairs, guys. BTC pairs, I'm really pushing them. It's all about the BTC pair, man. It's funny, I start the live stream, I don't even check my portfolio. I start my live stream first. Isn't that crazy? I care more about like the movement of YouTube than my own portfolio. It's more exciting, honestly. Money is cool, but energy is even cooler, man. And VeChain back up there doing its thing, right? Everything recovering pretty well. IOST coming back up. Whole account came back. Literally in the last 3 days, account came back like 40,000. Now we're only down 20K from the slip off. We're making Bitcoin too, which I love. Every day, more Bitcoin in the portfolio because we're using Bitcoin to trade altcoins, and they just keep winning. Right? So I talked about one BTC here, right? I talked about adding to the trade. I talked about laddering in. I talk about laddering in all the time. Look, 416 at 10:41 p.m. I bought my first bag at $254, up $60, right? I bought at $240. Bought my next bag at $240, up $172. Bought my next bag at $196, up $322. Bought my next bag here at $200, So I dollar cost averaged myself into about 210 Satoshi. And now, right now, we're sitting at about 253. I bought another bag a little earlier yesterday, and we dipped down, right? And I still have some more firepower. And look, and then I label the trades. Trade 1, trade 2, trade 3, trade 4. Okay? Trade, and this one should be trade 5. Okay, and there we go. And there we have kind of our system. And that's how I'm able to be very, very highly profitable. We also have an Atom BTC trade up in here. There's an ADA BTC trade killing it pretty well. A PNTC BTC trade. A Kava BTC trade. A Golem BTC trade. Phantom BTC. Finally, this was down. I made this trade on 3/8 a month and a half ago. This has been down for 2 months straight. Down 200, 300 bucks at the most. Not a lot, but down. And I just hold the trade. I don't worry about it. I don't FOMO into another coin. I don't stress what else is going on. I take a deep breath and I hold the trade. Look, put 500 bucks into XRP at 25 cents. Made $2,000. Made 430%. Aave up 416%. ETH up 300%. We got into ETH at $6 at 645. Right? So, you know, and we're look, I've been in this trade since December 16th, December 31st. If you want to get paid, it's not about running in after all these crazy coins. And look, Atom BTC trade. I made like 17 of these trades. And every one of these trades is up in the green. So I'm just, and these are trades I gave all my Patreons, explained exactly how to get in, when I was getting in. I talked about laddering in. I basically gave you guys exactly what I do. That's all I can do. That's all I can do is share every single thing that I do with you guys. If you're going to pay 100 bucks a month, I'm going to bust my butt for you guys. Literally, I'm going to work so hard and maintain and make sure it rocks, man. I'm going to work so hard for you guys. Check your fund. It's down a lot. Oh, that's great. Thanks, man, for telling me that it's down a lot. Like, why would you do that? Check your fund. It's down a lot. It's like, come on, man. What's better, 10K spread out, big caps? Wow, you guys are coming in with I can't keep up. Look, I can't keep up with the chat. The chat's flying. You guys are out of control. Never keep all your eggs in one basket. Thoughts on Upland? Can you look at Tesla Safe? People really like Tesla Safe, man. Look, take a look at Refinable. We bought Refinable live. Tesla Safe again. Wow. So we're getting bombarded by the Tesla Safe community, as you can clearly see. What are your thoughts on Siren? All right, hold on. YouTube just let the algorithm go, man. Can we get up to 100 likes, guys? Please, I won't do another super chat till we get 100 likes. I will not do another super chat till we get to 100 likes. Come on now. Give me that credit. Give me the credit that I deserve, man. Come on, man. All right. Music got a little loud for me, too. I don't know why. It's like in my head. Gotta bring it down a little bit so I can think straight. Okay. We're gonna peep Doge. We're gonna get through all these super chats quick and fast, but efficiently. Quick, fast, but efficiently. Top trend line. I actually want to just get rid. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm signing out. We're gonna see a glitch in a second, guys. I'm gonna sign out of my Binance account because I'm not gonna get the ETH, I guess. My USDC is locked up for like literally the next 10 hours. I don't know. That's really annoying and not cool. Not cool, man. That's not decentralization. That's not the way it's supposed to work. Horrible. I'm taking off my VPN real quick. So we're going to see a glitch. Everything just reset. Your stream should have reset. Don't worry. It's okay. Should have had a stream reset. It's all right. Okay, so Doge is in this little... Look at this pocket that it's in. To me, it fell out. I'm going to put it here. To me, that was a fake out back into the pattern. You want to get good at understanding when they break you out of a pattern and how to kind of play with the patterns. The more, it's like soccer. The more you touch the soccer ball, the more you understand it. The more you touch a pattern, the more you get it. The more you're intertwined into the pattern, right? So I see Doge kind of running out of room. Right here. 4 hours high, though. So here. I'm actually going to open this up. I think the 4 hour does suggest that we come back down to the bottom of the pattern. Somewhere. Maybe not there. Like somewhere like right there. I think Doge is going to come back down to about 18. Maybe even test this wick here. The reason is we're very oversold here on the 4 hour. Okay. We're getting oversold on the daily, though. We're getting our retracement from that huge pump. I mean, it had a pump and a half, right? And that's what happens with Doge. It pumps, it consolidates, and then it pumps again. 1 hour is also coming to the downside, so it's suggesting that Doge does want to come back down, at least to test like 24, 20 area. So I think Doge is going to cool down. I'd stay off of it at least until the daily starts to curve and the 4 hour comes back down. So I'd stay away from Doge at least for a little while. Just what I, and I could be wrong, but that's what I'm seeing here. That's what the chart is conveying to me. All right. Of course, Refinable going to drop a lot. I don't think we should have FOMO'd in like we did, honestly. If we didn't get the pre-sale, I shouldn't have FOMO'd in. I should have known better. I got into the hype a little bit, and I don't always do that, but whatever. This guy says it's down a lot. Now, watch. I'll see it's not down a lot, and then that will also get on my nerves, right? Because it's like, dude, I can't stand when someone puts in the comment section and they just like, doesn't make any sense. Like I can't. It's like, dude, don't just say whatever's on your mind because it's on your mind. Like have some, turn up your volume. My volume's loud, bro. Come on, man. Even though you've deleted our comments, I'll keep my subscription. I didn't delete your comment, bro. I didn't delete anybody's comment, man. I have moderators that do that. No love lost. I didn't delete any comments, bro. Of course it is. They're snappy. It's not loud enough. Dude, look. I can play the live stream right here. I don't know why. That's loud, dude. Why all of a sudden is YouTube making my thumbnail grainy? Yo, AJ15, bro, you're getting on my nerves, bro. Oh man. Anyway, so we got through Doge. All right, it's up a little louder now. How's that? Even louder, like in your ear loud. Like now it's like I'm talking to you as if I was sitting next to you, like, hey, baby, you want some pillow talk? You want to hear like my nose hairs move as the air breathes through my nose? All right. Okay, now we're gonna look at MoonBoys. If we can find MoonBoys. Here's Elongate. Someone asked about Elongate. We're here right now. Might as well talk about it. Well, we're really tight on the Bollinger Bands. Looks like we're destined to break on out. Falling volume with falling price tells me that the price is about to make a move to the upside. I like what we're seeing here. So, yes, I think we can get all the way up here to about. Can't really. The price is kind of nil at this point. I just want to see the percentage gains, but about 200% gains. Yeah, 240% gains coming out of Elongate. So I'd stick with my Elongate. I'm still holding. We went in around here for $200. It turned into like 1,800 at one point. Now it's 900. Got cut in half, but still gonna rocket let it do its thing, man. Still gonna rocket let it do its thing. She only shows Tesla safe, right? Literally, boys, get in now. $100 by the end of the year, right? So we're going through that. So that's Elongate, man, in a nutshell. So we took care of that for that super chat. And then MoonBoys. Let's take a look. You got to go to KuCoin, really. If this is how you do it, guys. You go to KuCoin. Then you go to Google. You type in MoonBoys. Right? Deflationary token with a difference. MoonBoys launched on pancakeswap. Honestly, man, MoonBoys looks pretty legit. It really does. Nice site, too. Like, 6% of the TX. They only do the 6%. They figured why not 10%? They go a little slower on lower on it. They actually did a lot of marketing, and they put together a good team. They redid their website too. Look, their website just got completely redone. Looks really clean and really nice. So you go how to buy, right? And then MetaMask. Oh, it's funny, it does that. Watch the tutorial, but we just want the contract address. So you go to CoinGecko. Get that contract address, right? Bam. And then go over to KuCoin and then paste it in. Paste it in right here. And we're going to check out MoonBoys for you. Nothing. All right, there we go. I was like, and nothing. Okay, so MoonBoys took a dump of dumps. Wow. It pumped, and then it just dumped. So it's back to zero right now. If you're going to buy, that would be the time to buy MoonBoys right there on the low, right? I still think it's a viable project. I think it's pretty good, but there are these crazy deflationary tokens, man. You know, hyped up, popped up, and be very careful. As I say in all the videos that I make about these coins, 1% of your portfolio of coin, guys. 1% of tiny, tiny bits. You put a lot in these coins, I feel like it's a bad move. But hey, you could change your life. I mean, Safe Pizza was going out of control yesterday. Safe Pizza was just ripping. I mean, let's see. It's up. Now it tanked, though. See, look. They rip, and then they dump. You got to sell the pumps on these things. You got to sell the pumps on these things. You got to. Just say, I'm going to get in and I'm going to get out. They're crap tokens. They're not like holding Chainlink or, you know, Algorand. Like, these are just, you know, I don't know. So there's MoonBoys for you. Takes care of that super chat as we continue to move. Latex 99. Yeah. Check out Swampy. Thank you. Swampy. Hit you with the Swami. Swampy. $57 for Swampy. Can't find the market cap. $1.7 million. Okay, not bad. Swamp Finance. Telegram, Discord, Twitter. I believe it's just one of these, like, these DeFi swamp farm things. Like, you know, kind of like a pancakeswap ripoff there. Is the BLZ vault fixed? So they have problems with vaults too. They're having some issues already. Already having some issues there on the vaults. That kind of freaks me out. Not a good sign. Swamp Finance. Yield farming optimizer for Binance Smart Chain. Launch the app. All right, let's take a look at this. Might not be as bad as I thought, right? Let's take a look at Swamp Finance. Binance Smart Chain, make sure we're on the BSC, because I think I'm on the Ether mainnet right now, trying to figure something out. That's not happening. Binance Smart Chain, bam. Launch the app. Wow, 433% yearly on Swamp. 45x on the Swamp. 1% daily. MetaMask. Thank you so much. I do all my business with MetaMask, and I like it. I like it the most. I think it works better than all the other ones. It's more transparent, easier. Never had an issue. I hear a lot of people with other things, but I never had an issue. These are all new pools. Pretty good, like 2,300% right there on HDMX, UTC, Litecoin, USDT, LP. Damn. That's crazy. Make 21% a day on that? On the Litecoin, USDT, LP? Yo. I might get in on that. I have a lot of Litecoin just doing nothing. I could just you know, take some savings, turn it to USDT, throw it in here, and then make a killing. Dude, MDX, BUSD, damn. This is actually pretty nice. Swamp Finance, dude. Nice call on this, man. TVL, $91 million locked up. Buy Swamp, $56 a coin. Deposit and earn money, bro. CertiK audit is in progress. So they're doing an audit. Vaults marked paused have disabled deposits and are not receiving Swamp rewards. Please migrate to V2 vaults. You have to use pancakeswap to migrate your LP tokens from V1 to V2 to deposit to new vaults. Yeah. I'm glad I didn't have a lot of LPs going. That sounded like a pain in the butt. Wow, 500% yearly, 1% a day. I mean, 1% a day is beautiful. Who doesn't want to make 30% a month just doing their thing? I like this Litecoin USDT, though. This is interesting. This is new. 21% a day? Wow. Add LP. Yo, this is hot. This is hot. That's very interesting, to say the least. One hour swamped. Can't change my deposit. Swamp pending. Still searching for it. What's going on? Swamp issues right now, too. So now I'm seeing someone talk about some swamp issues here. But thank you for giving us Swamp on the radar. Worth taking a look at. Worth taking a look at. I like it. Swamp. Shout out to Latex Roach for the 99 cents. My buddy, Latex Roach. Can we do a check on Elongate? We took care of that. Check out Radium.io. The steep USDC LP pool under Fusion pools there. I am making crazy returns. 350, 100%. 3,500% APR. Much respect, lifer. I'm getting old. I'm getting like those like indigestion burps now, like my teachers used to get. Crazy. Can you hear like my stomach graggle during the live? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for coming on in and sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. We're having a great time today, like we do every time. Can we get the likes up? 156 people watching, 114 likes. I know we can get the likes up to 150. We got 200 likes recently, so. All right, let's take a look at this, Radium.io. And I just keep my farms on different browsers for whatever reason. You know? Kind of helps me separate my life a little bit. An avenue for the evolution of DeFi, next level liquidity, frictionless yield, light speed swaps. Launch the app, read more. A bridge for DeFi. Radium offers DeFi and AMM projects a clear path for bridging platforms and liquidity with the evolved capabilities of Solana and Siren. Ecosystem-wide liquidity. The speed of Solana. Radium is built on Solana blockchain, enabling faster transactions, significantly lower fees, and enhanced scalability. Solana, EcoSerum, and Bonfida are partners. Siren Labs, man. So, let's launch the app. Let's see what's going down. Let's look at the farms. Let's connect. MetaMask. Math wallet. We don't have that. Oh, look. Look, they don't have the MetaMask wallet. Solana extension, the Phantom, or the Solid, or Bonafide. So, that's kind of weird. You can only farm with the ledger, which isn't bad. But, interesting that they don't have a MetaMask compatibility. It's a little weird, right? Yeah, 156% APR. I don't see no 3,500 though. Interesting. I don't know. Step USDC. These are the pools. Maybe he's in a pool. Step USDC right here. Yeah, you're right. 1 year fees, liquidity. I don't know, man. Seems okay. Radium. I like that it's built with Solana. I like that it's moving. I mean, it's definitely a hot coin. I like the idea. I like the project. I like anything around Solana. Solana's hot. I picked out Solana on BTC not too long from now, guys. Gave it to you guys as a trade when it was just beginning to break to the upside, right? And now it's booming and booming and booming. So Radium, bro, $500 million market cap. So it's getting big and getting up there, right? Kind of missed the move. But up 73% in 30 days and continuing to go to the upside. Chart probably looks pretty good too. Interesting. And where can we buy Radium? You can buy it on FTX, Serum Dex, and Gate.io. Beautiful. Yeah, so the Serum, Solana, Radium, they're really going to move. And I believe they are going to give us some competition for Binance Smart Chain. And I'm excited to see that because Binance Smart Chain likes competition. They just seem to get better and better. So I'm not afraid when they get challenged. They actually end up doing better and more for us in a way, right? Can we take a Elongate? We take a look at Step USDC and Radium. Mr. Smurfington, thank you for the $4.99 super chat from Mr. Smurfington. Much respect to you, man. Much respect to you. And then 10 pound. Cheers for cake and bake calls. Both doing damage. Appreciate all you do, bro. Shout out to Mikey S. Thank you very much. Cheers for your DSLA call from Greg. Crypto Greg, my dude. Thank you very much. All right. So I think we got through them all. Unbelievable. All right. It's like whack-a-mole. So many TS shillers, it's funny. Yeah, so we got bombarded by the shillers. They come in and shill on my channel. I mean, that's a good sign. Our channel has so much going for it. They want to bombard us. Akala partnered with Amazon, dude. That's a big deal. Send a link in if you can. You find something about that, send a link in or DM me with the link. Let me know where the link is or hit me up. I'd like to cover that. That's really interesting news. Okay. $293 fine per BNB now. Damn, we got beat down, right? Never should have ran into fine too early. I don't like pre-sales, man. I'm not good at them. Let's see. He says that that's the case, though. Let's see. I don't trust anybody and what they say. I really don't. It's crazy, right? But that's how I am. That's why I have my channel, and that's why I don't listen to no one else really. But usually he's right. If he says that, he's pretty right. Right at the beginning of the day, though, we started putting out the refinable address. Can't even see it anymore. Someone post a refinable address if you can. I just want to check something real quick, and then we're going to move on out from this section. I'm looking for the things that no one is talking about that are sleeper hits, not the extreme shills. I got wrecked on PocaX pre-sale. What do you mean you got wrecked on the Pokedex pre-sale? What does that mean? Any chance we can quickly look at SafeMoon, please, when you have a moment, Lifer? Appreciate it. Yeah, what do you mean you got wrecked on the Pokedex pre-sale? I think MetaMax is down. I can't load anything. It might be. It probably is. Yeah, loading tokens. Yeah, they're bombarded. They're bombarded. I'll leave it alone at that point. Honestly, too many in and outs. Thanks, man. Appreciate that. Lifer on Radium. Check the fusion pools to find. Yeah, I was about to say, like the pre-sale, you shouldn't be getting wrecked on the pre-sale. That doesn't make any sense. Can you check Swampy? Thank you, Lifer. You said Jesse Cooper sent in a super chat. Oh, yeah, Light in the Dark. Yeah. Thoughts on Siren? Oh, yeah, we have more. We have more to go. Thank you for the DSLA call. Thoughts on Siren? Siren, S-I. Never heard of Siren. What is Siren? Let's take a look. You guys give us a new coin almost every day on this live, man. $17 million market cap. That's what I like to see. $1.82. Trading volume, 500,000. Like to get it above 1 million, but we're doing okay. Not a huge pump yet, so that's also nice. All-time high was $4.37. It's at 182. It's taken a bit of a dump. Let's take a look at Siren market. Siren. Decentralized option markets. Trading unleashed. Creating series for any ERC20. Hodl onto your trident. Explore roadmap Q2. Hedge. Apply strategies to potentially limit downside risk and utilize other complex techniques or combinations to achieve trade regardless of market direction. Siren Market is a flexible, decentralized protocol or trading cryptocurrency option designed for sophisticated investors. Try it. Trade options. So it's options trading. Interesting. Pool funds become an LP. The tweet, Siren is supported by a distributed community of water-dwelling creatures. Pretty interesting. We are hiring. Find a role or provide as above. Solidity developer, community developer lead. Where can I ape, sir? That's funny. I don't know, man. It's cool. I like other projects a little more. I don't like the small font, you know, and certain things about the website. Just, I know it's crazy, but I just like, because I'm looking at their marketing and how they're going to get people going, and like I can barely read this writing. I don't know. Their website's a little boring for me. I feel like they could do better getting their name out there. That's just my opinion if I have to break it down. All right. Where do we get this thing? Siren. Where can you buy it? On Uniswap or Biloxi. So, you know, pay those high ETH fees, get stuck in here. And that's, you know what? It's a shame to every project that came out on ERC20 a year ago. I thought they were going to do great, because don't they wish they put a BSC component? And if you don't have both addresses, you're sleeping, bro. Any coin that has both addresses, if you don't have both addresses, it's like a car that can only take a right turn, right? Like you can only make right turns over and over again. You have to go you have to go so many places more just to make a right turn, right? So, Lifer, do you think PancakeSwap's recent gains, does that help Bake go up as well? Yeah, of course, bro. I got stung bad on the Fine launch. It happens, bro. I would stay away from it. Somebody buy a Fine token. I knew not to get into it, man. I kind of knew better, bro. VRA bottomed at 2.5 cents. So did SHR at 4.5 cents. It's a good idea to add before they start on the second leg for the 3X. Definitely. SHR and VRA for sure. We'll take a look at those. Jesse Cooper sent in a super chat, Sam. I don't see the super chat from Jesse Cooper, honestly, which is weird, unless it got taken down. I don't see it. I just went through all the super chats, I believe. Last one I see here is, I think we'll ever see a pulse from Alien Worlds. Alien Worlds, man. You can farm on Alien Worlds and just kind of like press this button. I was in there playing with it the other day. It's kind of a fun website doing its thing. Up 9.2%. $360 million market cap. I mean, yeah, it's starting to make a move, dude. I mean, look. It's doing well. Up 26 to 29. Up about 10%. 36, you know, it's got a good market cap. Strong. Look, 10% of the volume. 360 market cap. $36 million on the volume. So, I see this thing doing great things, man. Alien Worlds, bro. Yeah. If I see another Tesla safe, I'm deleting them all. I know, right? Shout out to everyone here on the live stream, guys. Thank you for coming on in. 126 likes, 6 dislikes, though. Whoever disliked us, are probably the Tesla safe people who got their name banned off. And then they came and hit the dislike button. That's kind of hate. They're haters, man. Not good vibes, not good energy, bro. Not good vibes, not good energy. Annoying me now, this. I just lost 90 pounds straight away when I bought Fine. Yeah, that's what's going to happen, man. Sigh, right? Play is a good project. Yes, it is. Let's take a look at Shiba that I just sold. Probably up now. Down at 105. Shiba Uno doing its thing. Took a dump. I ended up getting out. It was, in the last 30 days, though, it's up 2,500%. So it did some serious damage, Shiba. I turned 200 bucks into 900 bucks. I'm happy, right? I'll take that and walk away. Put it in Finable. So if Finable tanks all the way down, it was $200 like a month ago. So, oh well, right? We did the right thing. We are not the dislike button. NFT Art Finance. Get real. The Tesla Safe shows leaving the dislikes for sure. I did like Kristen P. So she it was a shill. Does that mean you're, so she's not a bot then? She's not a bot. If you like TLMR, I just started playing 3 days ago. Seems nice. Did 100x? 100x? Did it? I mean, I put in my money into 100x. I didn't even check yet. There's too many tokens to even pay attention to, man, at this point. Are you holding Fine and will it 100x? I am holding Fine and maybe it will 100x. I don't know. It already did 116x. It came out at 3 cents and then went all the way to, like, it went up to, it did a 200x. When you go to Radium, make sure to pick the fusion pools at the top to see the one I was talking about. And you need to create a Sol wallet to stake in the Sol projects, not MetaMask. That's what it seems like. We like your show and we hit the like button. We're not haters at the unmentionable coin. Shout out to Christine's bump. Tesla safe, man. Safe Tesla safe. It's like, come on, guys. An autopilot for your cryptocurrency. Tesla's proven method to guard your crypto. If you thought Bitcoin was deflationary, wait until you see this. Buy tasteless Tesla safe. Hyperinflation is on autopilot. 14% transaction fee rewards for holders. Another mechanism will burn 40% of the contract. This is a token that could potentially 10x, 100x, even 1000x in the near future with the most advanced tokenomics created. Renewable energy. Like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, long-term renewable tokenomics is mirrored in one Tesla's core value. Building on this, that means nothing. You know that, right? Binance Smart Chain. Tesla Safe is powered by the Binance Smart Chain. The blockchain network runs in parallel to the Binance Smart Chain. The speed and low fees of this specific blockchain offers our community to add the interoperability. Why couldn't ETH create the same fees as Binance Smart Chain? Why does ETH have to charge so damn much? Put your investments on autopilot with Tesla Safe. I mean, it's really like if I made a video about this, guys, like what could I talk about? Guys, look at the logo. It's horrible. It's horrible. My daughter would make a better logo. You can get this font on Photoshop and you can probably steal this little image and then put the name in front. I mean, come on, man. They didn't even make a good logo. Come on. I don't know. I'm not with it. I'm not buying that thing. I'm kind of done on all these guys. I'm moved on. I'm going to wait for SafeMoon to do its thing. If it does or it doesn't, and then I'm moving on. I should just sell SafeMoon right now and take all my money back, call it a day, and move on. My wife made me sell Bake last night. And then it boomed. And then I knew, like, and I've been holding it for months. So, And she was like, she put $1,000. She said, what should I do? I said, you could go into bake at 40 cents. And I put her into bake at 40 cents. And then she had $4,000 and she said, I want my money now. And I said, no, you don't. You want to listen to your financial advisor who turned your 1,000 into 4,000 and you want to listen to me. She's like, no, I want to put all my money in SafeMoon right now. It's going to be hot. I'm reading about it all the time. And I'm like, you don't want to put your money in SafeMoon. It's not a good idea. And she's like, but it's my money. And it was my $1,000. I want to go into SafeMoon. And I was like, I don't know if it's a good idea. I said, I'm the financial advisor of the family. I don't think we should put that much money in SafeMoon. I said, I don't think it's a good idea. I said, I would never tell any of my subscribers, and I personally would not do this. And she's like, I want my money in SafeMoon. You do it right away. And so I put her money in SafeMoon, and she would have made about $2.5, $3,000 with Bake booming. But whatever. She decided to put in a show coin. That's our biggest argument. It wasn't even an argument. That was our biggest kind of discrepancy in the last month and a half. It's been really nice and quiet in the house. Our relationship is going very well. So shout out to my wife. I love you. I'm just trying to start a little bit of a fight so we can have fun after the stream. You know, you got to start a fight every once in a while. That's why you change. You're in charge of the finances. Yeah, dude, you know you can't win the battles, Holmes. I know. Your story mirrors me telling my buddy to never buy tops. Listen to your financial advisor, man. Dots, PlotX is not a moon coin. No, we like PlotX. I think PlotX is hot. Oh, wow. Blueberry muffins.
Yes.
Mmm. This is going to be hot. PlotX is going to be hot. $14 million market cap. Put this on your radar, guys. We went over this again the other day. I really like this. Shout out to your wife. Man, my wife's the best. She's the best. She puts up with the crypto lifer every day. She's the greatest woman on earth. Will Bitcoin reach 150K? Will Bitcoin breach 75 cents by the end of the 21? PlotX coming soon on Telegram. So what you can already see, it seems like it's a bit of a... it's like a predictor, right? We make predictions. PlotX is a decentralized knockout prediction market protocol. It was launched on the Ethereum network. Dubbed as the Uniswap of prediction markets, PlotX used automated market maker algorithm to create and settle crypto-focused prediction markets in the intervals of 1 hour, 1 day, and 1 week. Markets focused on crypto pairs like BSUSD, ETHUSD, and were created and settled cyclically without any counterparty risk on Ethereum. I like these. These are cool. These make sense. They're simple. They're easy for people to understand. They make sense. There's not a lot of craziness. It's not safe Tesla. So guys, we went over Radium. Now we're going over PlotX. Put these things down on your radar. These are really solid projects that I believe are going to do very well. I like that crypto wifer. I'm not getting into any moon coins, but they have had an effect on the price of cake with so much traffic. So I am benefiting. Glad you picked this up, man. Trying to share a legit project with the community to give back, but it feels hard to share with all the moon coins. Stacko's solid fundamentals, low market cap, and tokenomics are good. Okay, right now, Hadouken, I want you to DM me. You gave me like 3 or 4 projects. I have short-term memory loss. I cannot remember everything. I would like to go over your projects, and I would like not to miss them like I usually do. Each week, you give me stuff, and I miss them. So if you could do a DM right now with a number 1, a number 2, a number 3, why you like the coin, and a little bit of a link, I'd really, really appreciate it. Then I could go over it for everybody, and it would be better than just one of the comments that comes in, and I'll take it far more seriously. I do not believe SafeMoon is a scam, and I don't even like using the word scam here on my group in this area because then you're kind of making people think that we might actually be into scams, and we're not. So I'm just going to remove the word scam. I'm not, I don't mean to, I just want to remove that message because it said scam. That's all. Nothing else. You're still cool. I love you. No harm, no foul. All gravy. All gravy. But I'll make an organized list. See, I've already DM'd you those, but I make an organized list. Yeah, it's got to be organized, man. I have hyperactive disorder. If you want me to understand something, you have to like stare at me in the face and say, Sam, this is the coin. And then like stomp on my foot like 5 times. And I'd be like, oh, that's the coin. Oh, okay, I get it now. Look at this, recently added. This is pretty interesting. Recently added, Alpha. You talked about Alpha recently. You said you liked it. You put it on my radar. Stake-wise, Wall Street Baby. That's an interesting coin, right? Safe Launch Pad. Interesting. Safe Launch Pad. BSC Gold. That's interesting. Like Bitcoin Gold did well. BSC Gold will probably do well, right? These are NFT Art Finance took a dump, but still holding up 86% in the last hour. It's not bad. Slam token, Clever Finance, Moon token. Look, Bonfire. I just got into Bonfire, honestly. I like Bonfire. Pink Moon was getting shilled on us too. Elongate. And it's funny, these things just got added, but we've been holding them for weeks. At least 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Mirror Protocol. Pay BS Swap. KuCoin. Just trying to look at anything kind of pop. Space Doge. Hilarious. Hilarious. I got into this right here. Haduki Uno. I own this coin right now. I got into it because it was like a day old when it first came out. And, okay, it's going up. It is on the Ethereum mainnet, which kind of, you know, yeah. Ew. Gross. Totally. It's like a disease. Being on the Ethereum mainnet, is literally like a disease. It's like, oh, he has Ethereum mainnet on his shoulders. Oh, God. Here's some cream to get that Ethereum mainnet off. Oh, God, he's breaking out an Ethereum mainnet. It's all over him. Get it off, quick. So this thing looks like it's going to do really, really well. Look at that. So this coin just came out. Has not really done a huge pump yet. Obviously had the first pump and dump, but that's what happens. I mean, this thing is brand spanking new. So I got this like a week ago and no one, it literally was a day old. A day old, like, and it's one of those crazy deflationary tokens. It's a Moon token. Why buy Hulk? Peer-to-peer automated rewards, farming ARF. It's a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency with a built-in automated rewards farming technology. Just hold Hulk in your wallet and watch your balance grow. Built on Uniswap. DEX tools. Peer-to-peer ecosystem is a fully decentralized peer-to-peer digital currency. When that's all it is, that's all it is. Automated rewards. Rewards are distributed to holders automatically and in real time. With every transaction, buy or sell, 2% of the transaction value is distributed to holders. Sit back and relax and watch your HOKK balance grow. 24/7, 365. Yeah, if someone's selling, what if no one sells? Then it doesn't do anything. 100 quadrillion, fair launch, less manipulation, no team tokens. And there you go. And you can buy this on Uniswap, but again, need I digress with the fees. And it's not even worth anything yet, but it's up 51% today. Continue to make a gain, so just put it on your radar. I got into this a while back. It's just something to think about. It's just another Moon token. I posted a chart on AOS and charts and call group. I call it the YouTube of Google. Theta. Hey, we're all holding our AOIZ. Believe it's going to be a good project. Focused on it. Honed in on it. Right? Let me see. So no DM from Hadouken. The thing is, bro. Let's see. So he gave me, let's see the DM. He gave me some stuff here. Moon. TikTok is going ape over the meme coins since Safe Moon. Moon. Let's see. Solid project here. Step Finance. Good morning. Stackos.io. Definitely going to do it good for a deep dive. Okay, let's take a look at this. The Unstoppable Infrastructure Protocol, StackOS, is an open protocol that allows individuals to collectively offer a decentralized cloud where you can deploy any full stack application, decentralized app, blockchain, private nets, and mainnet nodes. Get early access. Watch the video. I don't get it.
It has been reinforced that the internet is truly going to shape the world by forcing nearly all businesses to go online. Most traditional brick-and-mortar businesses will have to open their online stream, and their biggest challenge will be how they can easily, cost-effectively, and securely go online. Running an application natively on the cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Compute Platform, and other cloud providers is not just hard and expensive, but are also susceptible to hacks, as we have seen with the recent infamous Equifax data breach. Running applications on these cloud providers require it is much more than that. Our decentralized cloud includes deploying and running real-world applications with which a common man can interface. Deploying multiple blocks.
All right, I mean, I like it. Protocol functionality. I think the website could have been done better. I like it, but it's, I don't know. That's just my opinion. That's just my opinion, you know? And I think a website has a lot to do with, even though you could have a crap project with a great website and it could bring in more people because the website just kind of shows you what's going on, kind of gets you into the idea. I don't know. It's kind of a crazy thought, but, you know, that's just something I'm thinking about, right? Cody BTC still finally, yeah. Cody making a move right now. EGLD gonna make a move. One gonna make a move. Have you seen Trevon James coin Hourglass? Yeah, we took a look at it the other day. Dude, DSLA, man, is a hot project. It really is. You know who put me on to DSLA is my man Mix Jassol. He knows. He knows the deal, bro. He knew the deal. Yeah, look at that. Boom. And now it's flagging. This is a flag. So watch this break out again. Whenever you see this type of pattern, it's telling you this really, really strong bullish momentum. And so it did a bull flag here. And now it's going to break out of the bull flag. Length of the pole is usually what you get. So look for bigger gains. I mean, this thing's going to go all the way to the target. Hold to my targets, guys. Sometimes they take a couple weeks. Be patient. 164% gains out of DSLA, somewhere we gave you the buy right here at the bottom of the channel, or if it broke out and got the retest, which we got right there. And boom. Shout out to Crypto Greg. I hope you got into DSLA, and I think you did by the super chats. Much respect to you. Thank you very much for all the super chats and all the love. Much respect to you guys. I'm kind of bugging out. I got 120 cake in the bunny pool, and I just started showing 0. This happened to anyone else. Take a deep breath, man. It's all good. There's no, your bunny's not gone out of your bunny pool. Like, it's all good. Take a deep breath. You switched your wallet or you did something silly, or just right now, I bet the pools aren't showing up. Like right now, look, I even go to Pancake Bunny, and it's not doing well. Right? This morning it was doing well. It's not right now. So just like, you know, just know that the Binance Smart Chain is bogged down right now due to Refinable, and everyone trying to use it and get into it is probably causing a little bit of an issue. So take a deep breath, please. Give it a little while. Let people go to lunch, and everything will be okay. So I'm wondering if you've seen something strange in your MetaMask with YFDAI. My keep saying 975. Haven't ever touched it. Any thoughts? I don't stress my MetaMask wallet, guys. Please stop worrying about your MetaMask wallet. Take a deep breath. MetaMask is bogged down right now with Binance Smart Chain. Some of the fees, all the other, and we're also migrating from V1 to V2. Take a deep breath. Number 2, you should be staking your YFDAI. You shouldn't have it in your MetaMask wallet. So that's the first mistake you've made is why is your YFDAI in your MetaMask wallet and not being staked at YFDAI Finance where you're earning 72% a year? Again, I did thanks. Read about BSC issues. Everything is fine. Yeah, it's all good, guys. It's all good. Please relax. You see Charlie Lee on CNBC shilling Litecoin. Pretty funny. That's awesome. I love it. I own a bag, man. I own I own 70 Litecoin. So let's go, Charlie Lee, man. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, I wouldn't stress anything with your MetaMask wallet right now. Yeah, I got 288 and it showed 0 for a while, right? Lifer, what happens if Bitcoin closed above 55K? It's 52 now. I gave you the whole, I went over Bitcoin for an hour at the beginning of the show, man. And I'm pretty sure you were here. Just go back to the beginning of the video. Dot was being shilled on mainstream too. Yeah, Polkadot's definitely going to get shilled. I mean, Polkadot's hot. They're going to start telling people, guys, you know, Lifer, watching for this L ping. I'm trying their LT with one Litecoin. Lifer, watch out for this LPING. I'm trying their Litecoin USDT pool with my one Litecoin. Watch out for this LPing. You're funny, man. I don't know what you're saying by there. You're throwing me off. Please be really clear, guys, because I have a hyperactive brain. I go all over the place. And when you send just a crazy idea, I try to figure it out. And you either A, take me off topic on the live stream, or B, kind of take me somewhere where I don't need to be taken, right? So I'm stuck on this one trade. I'm telling you right now, I'm hype on one right now. It's forming this beautiful flag. So check it out. That's a flag too, and that's great when you see moving down, kind of stressing out here, but it's going sideways into the upside. Really good. We're getting the 21 crossing the 50, which suggests that the 21 will come cross the 200, which then suggests that the 50 will cross the 200. We'll get a golden cross on the 4 hour. All right, everything looking really, really good right now for one. Let's take a look at the one BTC trade. That's the trade that I was talking about, that I kind of opened up about 8 or 9 days ago. Shout out to anyone that took it with me. Just broke out of that buy zone, still doing its thing. It's bouncing off of previous support, which is a good place, 249. Telling me that's a nice play. You know, I'm going to wait for this 4 hour to come back down, and then I'm going to add to the trade yet again. 1 hour is in our favor, though, so 1 hour suggests, boo, ready to rock. The one where you get 20% a day providing, yeah, do that. I think that's a really good liquidity, man. Yeah, I thought you were referring to Swamp. I thought you were, but I wasn't sure. You just wrote LPing. I think that's what you were talking about, but I don't know, right? Everything else is basically an assumption. Loving the guitar, right? 62 to 68 holders in under 20 minutes. When my YFDI returns to the right number one, I'll put it immediately into YFDI Finance. Missed that step. Love learning one step at a time. Yeah, you gotta. We talked about that though. How to stake your YFDI like months ago. Where should I deposit 1K right now? Yeah, Crypto Lifer, but they could technically scam you. Hey, you never know, man. But they could. I don't like using that word, man, in the live stream, bro. So I just removed that. Sorry. No offense to you, and I love you. Mr. Mary Jane, what do you think about Hungry Bear? I was looking at Hungry Bear yesterday. It's doing all right. It got dumped a little bit. We can take a look at it on KuCoin. Hungry Bear. Again, guys, please drop me a super chat if you want me to do like a deep dive or go into something. I'd really appreciate it. I have my own coins that I want to go over right now and kind of get into. So I get a little distracted by the super, which I don't mind. Super chats are amazing. They keep me going. I need them. Lifer, can you please take another look at Radium? But on the top, go to their fusion pools. That's where the very high APR is. We're all set. We believe you, man. I'm not going to go into it again. I appreciate it, man. My show is not to kind of keep going over things 100. We believe you. There's a pool there making a lot of money at the top in the fusion pools. We get it. You may be able to play FLM BTC. Let's take a look at FLM BTC. Shout out to you, Harry. I appreciate it, man. But I like doing my own thing, man. And I went over it already. I don't want to go there again. Sorry. I have that right? FLM BTC. All right, it's in a bit of a cup and handle when I look at it right off the bat, right? There's our cup handle. It broke out, but then that handle kind of had a double handle, dual action, fell on out. But what I like to see is the previous high getting respected. This is what you want. You want to look for these previous highs. See right here? And you want to wait for the price to get back to them. When the price gets back to them, that's going to be a really good entry. So FLM BTC, yeah, at 14.14, oversold on the 1 hour, looking pretty good to me. Let's take a look at the daily, at the 4 hour. 4 hour is not oversold. 4 hour is actually overbought. It wants to either double top or come to the downside. So I'd hold off on this, right? I'd take a patient call on that and wait it out, right? But we believe you that the fusion does give you those contracts. So guys, go to the fusion section of Radium. You'll get higher percentage gains there. So look, double bottom, interacting with the 200-day moving average on the 4 hour. I talk about that a lot as a catalyst for a good time to accumulate. I'm not saying, it looks like it might get a little lower back down to 13.19 possibly, but I still would accumulate here. Our next level of support is right there, kind of right where we're at, honestly. So we did fall through this support level. We retraced to this support level here, which is where the price kind of bounced and where we had the price stop right there. So price stop, price came down and bounced, SR flip right there. We continue to the upside. So it's a bit of a cup and handle. It is a cup and handle now when I zoom it out. Look at it. We all know what's about to happen with this one. I mean, we've seen it. How many times have I presented this idea to you and we all watched it play out like insanity. So FLM BTC, I like where it's at right now. Looks like it's going to make us some BTC. It's at the bottom, playing from a position of strength for sure, right? Would you recommend investing for long term, like 1 to 2 years? Depending. I mean, it depends. We could have a horrible bear market. I'm not a psychic, guys. I don't know what's going to happen. We're going to have to just play it little by little. Take profits on the way up is all you can do. And then I'm like, take profits into what? The US dollar? Like, why am I going to take profits in the US dollar? The whole thing got me. I'm a little confused. I have to sit down and make a plan. Thank you so much for that super chat. Much respect to you, man. Much respect. Much respect for the super chat. So it just, I don't know, man. I'm an FLM. Just putting this on your guys' radar because of Parabola and Daily looks good. See the USDT pair too. I mean, I'm only on that Bitcoin pair, man. The Bitcoin pair is where it's at right now, for sure. Would you recommend investing for the long term? Word. Is FLM Flamingo or Foam Coin? We'll take a little match price. 78 cents right now. What are we at here on the chart? If I could do the math real quick. I was going to switch, but I'll just do the crazy math. 55,000 times 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 14, 14. 77 cents. That's the coin right there, my friends. That's the coin. Flamingo Finance. Shout out to my boy, man. I'm watching. Shout out to my boy, Imram, watching the stream. Shout out to your dude, man. Imram. Shout out to your dude, bro. Thank you so much, man, for the super chat. Much respect to you. Yeah, respect. I'm from Sweden, so you get Swedish money. Yo, I'll take that Swedish money all day. Plan ahead if possible. Hey, Sam, dropped in a super for you earlier. Could you see HBAR when you get the chance? Mr. Smurfington. How did I miss the super chat? I thought I went through all the super chats. I'll get a look at Hourglass, too, from Charlie Hatch. Shout out to Charlie. Thank you for the respect, Charlie. You've been here a long time. Much respect to you, man. Thank you for that super chat. Okay, dropped in a super chat for you. Could we look at HBAR? We'll take a look at HBAR, for sure. Lisa Rose. Shout out to you, Lisa. So I see this blowing up, man. Probably going to extend itself a little longer into the end of the chat, into the end of this kind of falling wedge, break to the upside, cup and handle. Then it doesn't have a lot of, it has really no support and resistance because these came down fast. So it can gap up just as fast. Yeah, I mean, there's like 300% gains. $186% gains coming. What it's saying. Have you ever read something about INX, buddy? Yeah, we looked at that a lot too. You shouted me out, but I think I effed it up. It didn't get the message in the super, LOL. I threw it in the message following the super. Doge or Cake, 4X coin, FLM. Yeah, for sure. BZRX showing a possible breakout. It was breaking out yesterday, man. We talked about it yesterday. Yeah, for sure it is. Let's take a look at HBAR for my dude. But this is a call on the channel right here, guys. I want to put this out. FLM BTC, man. FLM BTC. So remember that. I like to make Bitcoin off of the Bitcoin pairs, right? Let's take a look at HBAR for my guy. I don't stress when we're gonna get the flare. So this is a call I had out here, and it hit my stop loss. Look at that. It's like they knew exactly what the traders were gonna do. And they took us down. They took us down. Aggressive buy at the bottom of the pattern. Everything was kind of set up. But still, they nailed us. So, and it was a vicious. That was a vicious downturn. When Bitcoin started going down to 47K 2 days ago, that was vicious. It's hard not to sell, but you got to just tell yourself, hey. Okay. So that was the fake out. They got us back into the pattern. This is what they're doing. This is what I see here now. This is what I see going on. Everything okay?
Yeah, I'm just getting
I think it's going to make a right shoulder here. Shoulder, head, right shoulder, and make its way on out of the pattern. All right? So that's what I'm waiting on here for HBAR. So not an ideal place to buy yet. But it's going to have a nice target once it does break out somewhere around here. Break the previous high. Break this resistance, and then it's gone. Retest. Back to 61 cents. So I see 100% gains coming out of this. Probably about a month, month and a half. Oversold in the 4 hour like almost every coin. Daily looking in our favor. And the 1 hour should be in our... Yeah, so the 1 hour is funny. A lot of coins are doing this. Daily looking good. 1 hour looking good. And boom. And you know, the 4 hour not looking good. So it suggests that the 1 hour can get us up here. We'll come back down for the retest. That will be the 4 hour setting back down. And then boom, we boom on out. So... Or we could come back down here. The 1 hour could reset. We'll see. But right now I see a shoulder forming in a bigger pattern idea here. But that's HBAR in a nutshell, man. Dude, Woo Trade. I missed out on Woo Trade. You gave it to me. I missed out. You told me to get it. I didn't get it. $46 million market cap. Hit a buck. But it's only up 79% in 30 days, though. It's kind of like, oh, well. All-time low, January 4th. Yeah, the Woo Network. The Wu-Tang. Disrupt markets, empower individuals. Zero commissions, deep liquidity. DeFi bridge, trade. Interesting. Zero commissions, deep liquidity, DeFi bridge. I need a DeFi bridge, man. I definitely need a bridge. Yeah, today's the first day of the bunny. So the bunny pool's back up. Bunny got sold off 500 back to 44, but the bunny pool's back up. Look at your bunny right there. There's your bunny doing its thing. 44 bunnies. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good. Life is good. I really stress yield watch. Somebody put in a video about yield watch, how much I like it. Look, when the day started, I had taken all my yields out at about 8 in the morning and 9 in the morning. We're at $18. So let's see how much the yield made since then. Let's see how much the yield made since that time period. Come on. Finance Smart Chain. Make it happen. Taking forever to do anything on the Smart Chain today. Sad. Sad business. Safe turd coins, right? L Jockey Prognostics. Hey, what's up? What do you think about SYL? What is SYL? Let's take a look at SYL. I've never seen your name before, so want to kind of... Oh, yeah. X... It's funny how they have these names. It's SYL, but it's XSL Labs, right? SYL Labs is XL, XSL Labs is SYL. Like, why do that to yourselves? This thing is tiny. No one knows about this coin. It's tiny. It's on the Binance Smart Chain. Your data belongs to you. Caution, ICO ended on March 14th. There's no more tokens available to purchase. No company or organization. XLS, a team, an outsider is able to sell you XLS. Be aware of messages. Yeah. So they had a private sale earlier this month. Your data belongs to you from 2020. I don't like the little writing. I don't like when they make you have to like search for the... This website's whack, bro. Websites are supposed to give you the information fast and furious. Like, you want to see a good website, you go to MoonBoys. Like, I'm sorry, like, you go to the MoonBoys website. I mean, you gotta say, like, look, I want big writing. I want the main things in bullet points. That's awesome.
That's not all.
It has a little pocket. Oh, it's got a little whistle. In case you go too far. No. Don't blow the whistle. Blow it once, one time. All right, thank you. It's a French project, bro. I don't know. I'm not into it. It seems cool. It's very small. It could do well. You know, I'm not hating on it. I think it could do well. Interesting. Let's see. I mean, there's probably 1,000 people in the Telegram. 3,000 people. Okay. I almost think anything's going to go well in this game, man. You just got to hold it and sell it at the right time, and you're going to be fine no matter what, right? Bake did something unbelievable though. Guys, wonder why I withdrew my BT LTO LP from Beefy Finance because it says it's been discontinued. Not sure what to do next. I did the liquidity swap on pancakeswap. Any help on what to do next? Thank you. Remove the liquidity, dude. Figure out how to remove your own liquidity. I figured all this stuff out on my own. Nobody showed me any of this stuff, bro. I sat there clicking around until it made sense. I guess that's why people pay me the big bucks, right? Because I figure out what I need to figure out and get it done, right? Can you take a look at Phantom USDT? Yeah. What altcoin should I invest in? I mean, right now it's the same kind of, I talk about a lot of the same coins because I believe they're great projects and they were kind of slowly consolidating for the last 40 days. I mean, just heavy consolidation. Quick look at Phantom USDT. Yeah, so Phantom's starting to break out. There was my buy zone in this green box. That accumulate Phantom right here as much as you can. It's only going to break up to the upside and boom. Starting to make it. We got a fake out, fake out. We don't want to see if this is going to be a fake out again. Now, indications are, look, 1 hour's low, but you know the 4 hours high because every coin's 4 hours high. So look, there's the 4 hour right there pointing to the downside. Telling us we're probably going to get a retest. But this could end up being a fake out yet again off of this notion. But we'll see. So I'm watching it closely. I want to make sure we don't just go below this level. We got to hold this strong level here. And I want to see the 50 days crossing. We're about to get a golden cross here on the 4 hour. Phantom's about to finally make its way up out of the pattern. They usually do this. They bring it really low before they pump it up high again. You can see right here, look, there's your low, and they pump it up. There's your low, they pump it up. So I believe Phantom's going to go to the upside. The daily looks beautiful. I'm in Phantom right now as we speak, beginning of my position. You know, I built a position a month ago, and I'm going to hold it and watch it play out. I'm going to make more BTC with the Phantom. That's the idea. Up 21% today and continue to go to the upside. Phantom. Cartesia, man. We gave you Cartesia at 27 back here when the bull first came out. And then we even kind of put it in this weird structure here, which it fell out of. This is a strange pattern, I'll be honest. All you can say, it's in a bull flag and it broke out of the bull flag. That's all you can say. And now it's starting to break out too. We go to the 1 hour just to see how those candles are forming. And yes, they're forming a flag outside of the channel. So CTSI is flagging right now. How do you play something like this? Well, look, the 1 hour is ready to rock. So you would basically get in right now and just put a stop loss at the bottom of the pattern. If the pattern doesn't hold, then it's bearish. If the pattern holds, it's bullish. So you can put a stop loss like right here, below the 21-day moving average, like right there at 62. Ride this thing from 71 and get on in. Again, none of this is financial advice. Can we 100x if I join your Patreon? I'm waiting for May 1st. I mean, I can't guarantee anything, but I can guarantee that I've personally, what I can guarantee is this. I can't guarantee anything, but what I can give you is this. I've got into cake at 60 cents, right? It's now at what? Where it's at. We're going to take a look at cake right now. So I got into cake at 60 cents, right? It's sitting at what? $35. And it's flagging, telling me the cake wants to go up even more. Gave you the cake call. I even said, look, cake wants more. Right here. I'm sitting there. I'm looking at this chart, and I say, guys, cake wants more. And I kind of have my pulse, the pulse on cake, man, every single day of the week, bro. It's kind of crazy how I love cake and I ride cake. And sometimes I'm putting out a call for cake, and I'm like, damn, I can talk about cake so much. But I was just looking at it, and I'm like, so look, I'm looking at cake last night, or yesterday, about 12:55 p.m. Cake chart has more to come, I say. 70% up to 39. Look what happened. More to come, just like I said. I mean, just like I claimed. Look at that. More to come. It's crazy, bro. You could juxtapose this stuff. Put them, kind of want to put them side by side. To me, it's pretty cool. So there's the cake call. And there's cake in reality. Cake call. Cake in reality. Bam. Bam. How do I know this? How do I know these things? It's just how I'm studying the fundamentals. I mean, look, we were oversold. We had the MACD cross. We had a push up here. Everything looked good on the 30-minute to start a catalyst for a break to the upside. So we're going to let that rock, right? Just do the Patreon. Well worth the charts and the callouts. Makes your life easy, bro. What cake support out? Can you look at VeChain and Ren? Guys, got to send a super chat in, please. I don't work for free. Send a super chat in and I'll do my due diligence for you. I'll do my due diligence for you. Send in a super chat. I will go into any single coin you want. Can we 100x if I join the Patreon? So I can tell you right now, I got into cake at 60 cents. 60 cents. All right. So 35, sorry. Divided by 0.06. Oh, no. 35 divided by 0.6. I did a 58x on cake. So far, we're not even done yet. We're not even done yet. You make your money back immediately in the Patreon. Look, he said that too. These are Patreons telling you this stuff. I'm holding Safe Moon. What are your thoughts? Planning on joining Patreon and do training with you. Jump on in, Brian Molesky. Jump on in, man. The faster you do it, the faster you'll see. You'll be able to understand the market better. And if you understand the market better, hopefully you use that to create some gains. Okay, let's take a look at cake right now. I have a projection of cake going all the way up here. Look, a bigger target. Let's look at the daily for cake. A big target for cake, getting all the way up here to 39, and then even up to 42. I'll delete all my old work, and we can look at it fresh. Now, that's a parabola. That's parabolic, right? We should go a little sideways and continue up the parabola. And we just broke all-time highs. We just broke them. Did you check out AMP? No. You'll make your money back immediately in the Patreon. Thank you so much. Lifer, do you think chain games could recover after Fortnite canceled them? Interesting. I never heard of that. I didn't know that. But Chain Guardians just has a deal, I believe, with Refinable. I believe Chain Guardians and Refinable have something going on together. I'm super excited about that. I just bought more safe Tesla. Oh, God. No, I missed most of the stream because of a client call. Blah. No. It happens, man. Client calls. Anyway, let's take a look at the support and resistance levels for cake. What I like to do is I like to look at the daily support and resistance right off the bat. Let's see if I can zoom in for you guys. I like to zoom in every once in a while, kind of really pull you into the charts, get you really focused on the charts, so you can see what I'm doing here. Don't worry about the other oscillators down here for now. We're just going to focus on support and resistance. All right. It's all about staying calm and cool and collected when it comes to trading. So these are support and resistance levels for cake on the daily, which are strong. You check the weekly too as well. Why not? And you can see strong support. So 1, 2, really 3 weekly supports. You can see they changed in the weekly as well. But look at cake, man. Had you held cake for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 weeks, only one of those 6 weeks were you down. And Liddy, if you go all the way to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 weeks, it's been an amazing journey for these last 12 weeks, guys. Like, you made more in the last 12 weeks. Even if you would put it at like $500, even if you put it $1,000, you'd have at least 50, 60K right? Cake, oh my God, what cake has done, the ecosystem they created, the reasoning behind why they're going up so much. So look, we had support resistance here. We came back down. We held this support pretty well, as you can see here. Like, we kind of like, and we're bouncing here, getting close to the 21-day moving average on the 4-hour, which is a good sign of continuing to the upside. Have you seen how eradicate's not the word. I believe erratic is the word, but I do that stuff all the time, so I'm not going to try to nitpick. How do I get a hold of you about some TA and research training? I've been doing good, but I'm at the point that I need more that I can't get with free videos and shillers. That's what happens, man. I got there too, and I eventually had to reach out to someone that knew more than me and get myself situated. So that's why I offer this service, because I know it helps, because it helped me. So here, you hit this link here. This is my tutoring. Just hit this link to my tutoring schedule, bro. Gives you my entire schedule. Pick a day and time that makes you happy, and I'll see you there. Make sure you have Skype. Make sure you have Zoom ready to go. I'd like to see you. Not everyone uses their camera, but I do like to see you guys. It helps me understand you a little better if I can see your face. But I don't mind doing black screens. But it's not as fun for me either, right? I like to see the person, but make sure you have a camera and make sure you have a good microphone working, and just hit that link, man. Pay the $100 and I'll see you and I'll answer every one of your questions. I'll go over your entire portfolio. I'll give you some tip tricks. I'll even give you risk management. I have an entire PowerPoint that I'll share with you. I will drill you, and I will help you, man. I will help you. I will help you. Yeah. Come on in, Nick. I'd love to meet you, and I'd love to help you out, man. I'll give you my 110%, everything I have. Everything I have, bro. So Cake right now. Let's take a look at Cake on the 1 hour. And anyone that's taking a session, just give him a little bit of a push. Say, hey, guys, I took a session. It's the best thing I ever did, you know? Or, you know, let him know. I don't know. I don't want to put words in your mouth. You guys tell me what you think the sessions did for you. All I can go by is the feedback that you guys give me, right? So I see K coming up. Look, it's retesting this previous high. I think it's getting ready for another move to the upside, honestly. It did retest that previous high already. So look, Cake had a previous high, wicked down to it, came back up. This is showing really strong signs. You go to the 7-minute and we're forming another pennant. I'm not trying to tell you to don't trade on smaller time frames, but just use them to understand where we're going. If you're having a hard time figuring out where we're going, just take a look. And look, there's even a shoulder, head, shoulder, inverse head and shoulders inside the pattern. Bit of an ascending triangle here with the inverted head and shoulder. We're on the 7-minute right now. I'm going to zoom into this to show you the head and shoulder pattern. And this is why it's all about fundamentals all the time. Understanding different time frames, how to utilize them, how not to get caught up in them, how not to make them break you. And I think this is going to, I don't think, the chart conveys that this is going up. Cake finally won, if you think about it. Like Bitcoin, the whole market, Cake just said, I have created my own ecosystem. People have their own demand for me, regardless of Bitcoin, regardless of the markets. People are staking, baking, and raking. You know, learn more in the Telegram and the sessions than 6 months of self-educating myself. Hey, there you go, bro. So you could struggle all you want and learn YouTube videos and do all you want, or you can just come to a team of people that are nailing it for you and really just accelerate your learning to the next level. And I push everyone to be that way. Tenacious Tim just came into the group like a month and a half ago. The guy's a beast. We turned him into a beast. I'm just saying, like, we turn people into serious traders. The whole group expects nothing but respect and love and high progression. Like, we want you to achieve greatness for yourself, right? Session is dope. He's got a solid system and will help you with whatever needs to be sharpened up. Shout out to DeFi Tev. Thank you so much for saying that. Bake and cake with cheesecake. Bake a cake with cheesecake. Beast mode. The real McGovernment. I have a tutoring session lined up at 3 p.m. Cake doing that damage. I became a Patreon. Thank you so much for Roy Droids Thailand, man. Much respect to you coming on to my Patreon. Oh, I want it to be May 1st so bad. So many people holding back right now. 4 more days, guys. Just 4 more days. 4 more days. And sandwich them between pancakes. This guy's got some ideas here. I became a patron. Yeah, you're a patron in the Patreon. That's how it works. Yeah, I'm 110% going to do a session. Hey, come on in, man. You'll be fine. Bay kicked butt as it went final today. Sessions are legit. Can't wait for number 2. Just a good guy. Coming to Binance Smart Chain, the final version with Swog music and bakery featured artists. That's going to be really cool too. I'm sold. I'll just be joining the Patreon soon. Thank you very much, Juan de la Una. Subscribe to your channel for that prediction. Thank you very much, man. But yeah, Cake going all the way up, man, to 39 in the short term. And that also, it's funny, that is the exact bigger target of the bigger pennant here. So both pennants going to hit, do its thing. And let's take a look at Cake on the daily, because the daily's probably, the daily's just getting started. Like, it's just crossing the dotted line. We could see the daily double top up here and do some amazing, amazing things, right? I like OXT. I talk about OXT a lot. I like where it's at right now. Why? Well, it's hitting previous support and resistance regions. This is privacy for the internet orchard, right? It's also on Coinbase, so it's easily accessible for the average commercial trader, retail trader. The daily is pushing up, right? We're getting a break. Everything looking really nice on the daily, and we're starting to get our move. We are. 4 hour will be spent because it's spent on every time frame. So look for this to come back down and probably hit this level here. So you can see almost every coin, guys, has the 4 hour too high. So if that means this, we're going to have to kind of come down and do this. just to follow that movement, that progression, right? 1 hour is ready to go and oversold though, so it's kind of interesting, right? I see this could kind of double bottom up here and then rip up. Don't forget to hit the like button. Please hit the like button, guys. Shout out to everyone here. 2 Bitcoin pairs revealed so far. Any more? BTC pairs revealed. RSR BTC. Okay. Why do I like RSR BTC? Well, we'll take a look at it. It's forming, number one, it's in this wedged area, all right? And it's forming a giant double bottom. If you can't see the double bottom, you may need some bifocals. But bam, bam, bam. And these break to the upside. They crack this. They usually, what they do is they get to the previous high. They get to the previous high right here. And then they break above it. And boom. And that's where I see this going as it's breaking out of this double bottom, making a big move. This is a BTC pair as well, RSR. RSR BTC. 28% gains and then more. Let's look at the daily. Daily again oversold, right? Wants to make its move. Bit of a cup and handle here forming as well. As you can see that, right? So here's your cup. There's your handle. And it broke out with the W. You see that? Retested. Try to kind of, yeah, to me, that's what's happening. And it's kind of coming off the bottom of the handle here and respecting these levels. So to me, pretty good buy right here. Look, there's your level there for RSR. There's another level for RSR. And we're touching that and we bounced off of it. So to me, you're probably pretty good if we come back to that region, right? At 139 sats. So I like RSR for Bitcoin right now. Telling you, and then it's going to make its way back up to the previous high, and then it's going to go into price discovery. So from where it's at right now, I see about 71% gains coming out of RSR BTC, and this is where you're positioned to buy from a strong position of strength right now. Daily's 100% in your favor. Nick, you'll be in the hands of a committed teacher. I know you'll advance. Sam helped me advance in a way that only a great teacher could. So grateful. Thank you so much, Love Learning, for saying that and putting a super chat out to do that. Much respect. Much respect. Thank you very, very much. Thank you very, very much. You're breaking my heart. You make me cry. You got to send a tissue when you send those. You got to send a tissue when you send those, man. You're going to break my heart. Thank you, Denise. It's very nice of you. Wow, big news, big news, big news. PancakeSwap and Chainlink. Tomorrow afternoon, we'll be launching one of our new products, Prediction. Prediction revolves around decentralization Oracle, which we're integrating Chainlink. Dude, PancakeSwap, man, is not going to stop producing more for you guys. And that's why T-Cake is the back-end play for the summer. Like, we're already planting seeds, guys. We're planting seeds for bigger moves later on. Our money is silently waiting. Silently waiting. Great choice on Chainlink. Safest Oracle play out there. Great move. PancakeSwap team, man. My God, can you release the NFT with the little pet and the Chainlink's crystal ball, please? That's funny. This is really cool, man. PancakeSwap never ceases to amaze me. Loving PancakeSwap, man. Loving them. Loving them. Airdrop Detective. This is pretty good. Airdrop Detective. Follow them. Check them out. We are airdrop experts in crypto, especially in airdrop and bounty. We search all airdrops daily and share the best of them. Reward up to 150 gums. Remember gum or grams? New airdrop gram swap, second round. Start the airdrop bot. Do the task on the bot and submit your data. Details. Interesting. Earn 150 ohms, $27 for participation. That's a lot, dude. I could buy some Omi with that. 100x coin. New airdrop 100x coin. Reward up to 100 million 100x. Start the airdrop. Do the task on the bot. Interesting. And submit your data. And get a 100x coin. Guys, anyone have any information on 100x? We got into 100x coin recently. Let's see on KuCoin what's going on with it. It's been flat ever since we got in, right? It really hasn't done much. Just kind of flat. But that's bad. That's not bad, right? Flat isn't down, right? Let's take a look if we can find it here. Safe Pizza just did. Yesterday was out of control. No one even really talked about it. I found it on my own. I didn't really say anything. Man, I like your spirit. Thank you, man. I like your spirit, bro. That's the point, man. Ampleforth governance token is automatically adjusted supply. But what does that mean? Ooh, no information for $100 unless you give me money. Aunt Jennifer, let's take a look at this. No, don't play that game with me. I give a lot of free information. Don't play that game with me, Aunt Jennifer. Don't play that game. It's on Moonshot Mondays now. So it did good, though. So far, look. If we look at, what? The 15-minute chart, this thing is up pretty nice. So hold up. Looks like we missed selling off the top there. 168% gain, so we made 100%. Because we definitely got in somewhere down in here. Right? Yes, you do. No information for 100x unless you give me money. And think about it. I'm here every day, 14 hours a week, right? If I made no money doing this, that's 14 hours of my life that just like, and again, I don't mind doing free stuff. So like, you know, I get paid for some of it. I do free stuff. It's a 50-50 shot here. You know what I'm saying? And yeah. But thank you guys so much, man. The super chats really keep me going. Like they keep me, like they're just enough for me to be like, all right, this is going to help me get where I need to go. Oro is so new with 350K market cap. Could be a new high risk, high reward coin. Oro. We got to have some fun somehow because I'm not profiting. You're not profiting? Well, then you're probably not in my Patreon and you're not getting tutoring sessions. Because check out Moon and Safe Pipple next 100x coins. Okay, you keep pushing this Moon and I keep not wanting to talk about it. How funny is that? How funny is that? PancakeSwap probably down again. Let's take a look though. Is it able to move? Then you don't know if you're on V1, V2, which one you need to be on. You know, it's like back and forth. Oh, Refinable. Why'd you do it to us? You got to get in on these. You got to get in on the pre-sale on the low. You really do. I should have been better set up for this. Honestly. I'm trying to find out what the 100x is. All right. Remember, it's the 6.9 there. Yeah, I got beat, dude. Look, I lost the whole BNB on that run. Damn. 1.2 BNB. I lost like $700. Horrible. I could have kept it in when I was in. 15% can be the difference of a matter of hours in crypto. I would have sent you a super chat, but it doesn't accept crypto. Journey to 1 million. Ape swap, next cake. What does it mean by pancake? Yeah, but you could always... I love when people say that it doesn't... I would send you a super chat, but it doesn't accept crypto. Because check this out. A person like me, all right? This is rude because I'm rude to people because I go above and beyond. But like 90% of people don't do that. So when I say what I would have done, it makes them feel inadequate and slow. But I don't mean to do that. I just like, look, if I wanted to super chat someone and it didn't take crypto, I go to their description right here, Bitcoin, Litecoin, ETH, right? I'd send them the ETH. I'd then take a picture of the transaction. I'd then DM them. I'd follow their Patreon. Number one, I'd follow their Telegram. I'd find out who they are. I'd then send them I'd send them the money here. I'd then take a picture of it. And then I would DM right here and I said, hey, check your DM. I just sent you this for a super chat. I would bug out and go out of my way to do anything you ask because I'm like, this guy's proactive. This guy sent me crypto and this guy didn't make an excuse. So I'm sorry, just. So you say I would have sent you crypto. I would have sent you a super chat, but I don't send crypto. It's all there for you, man. Be proactive, get it done if that's what you want to do. Don't make excuses. Don't say you can't do something that can be done. Good guy. Yes, buy this over 1 month. Yes, this buy this. I don't know what he's saying. Good guy. Yes, this buy this over 1 month. Yes, buy this over one. No mercy, dude. You're right. What does it mean by Pancake are integrating Chainlink ape swap? Honestly, we didn't get here asking people for directions. I didn't start my YouTube channel trying to figure out like, hey guys, how do you start YouTube? Like, you just gotta get it done. You get it done, man. You get it done, right? No excuses, bro. Like, my dad looked at me and used to be like, you can make as many excuses as you want. Like, it's not gonna get you anywhere. It's not gonna help you move. It's not gonna push you forward. Like, so whatever you want, like whatever you want to do, you do it. But I'm not gonna sit here and condone your nonsense, you know. So my father was hard on me, man. Second I started with an excuse, he just, enough was enough. He didn't want to hear it. He didn't want to hear it, you know. Y'all want spoon-fed, just get that training by the lifer, yeah. I know you mentioned liking SRK in the past. Can we take a peek at its TA? Yeah, I'm searching those low-cap gems since I lost big money on day trading the last few days. Why were you day trading? Why were you day trading without having a tutoring, a mentor? Like, so this guy Sirex, he's day trading, he doesn't know what he's doing. All you had to do was dollar cost average into the right things and quit being a scab. Fritz boy, I like her twice a week watching the live streaming. Did you get the belt? No, I didn't get belt. You can find out anything on YouTube, right? Shout out to Crypto Greg, man. You really can, man. There's a plethora of knowledge for anybody and anyone trying to get what they need. Like people who's like, where's the contract address for certain coins? It's like, dude, go to CoinGecko and find it. Get it in. You can do it too. It's like, what do you believe you can't? Damn, I knew I should have waited for the hype train to die down. I never go into these coins on the I never do it. And my mind said, don't do it. Don't do it. Just let it go. Just let Refinable go. I wasn't even that into it. I started in crypto 1 month ago. How's it going for T-Cake? Let's take a look at T-Cake. T-Cake's still sitting at about 8 cents. And we got it at 6 cents. It's still doing pretty good. Let's look at T-Cake. It's holding levels really nicely at about 6.3 cents. And this is a really nice market structure. You can see up, down, came back down. It's obviously holding previous support right there. And it's forming a new move. And this is also in a pennant. It looks a lot like SafeMoon, honestly. This is where you want to accumulate these coins. This is the best. These are the good prices right now. Right in this wedge. So there's your buy zone. Anytime in this wedge. Anything in there. Just accumulate in the next 4, 5, 6, 7 days. And then let it rock out for about a month. Bam. I believe we're going to break all-time highs. And then continue to the upside. So Pancake Tools all the way up. This is the 9 cents. It was higher than that at one point, I believe. But I believe it hit 12, 16 cents. But this just doesn't have it on there. Because of, you know. But anyway, unless that was a spike, I don't know. But the T-Cake was definitely higher than this at one point. Very low volume, right? Not watching right now. But once they come out with their product, once Cake starts moving, people are going to really be into this, right? I'm waking up every day checking your channel to see if you made a light video. This guy's so funny, man. You're right. YouTube has learned to play the guitar, so why not critical money-making skills in crypto coin? Yeah. Yeah, you learn to play the guitar on YouTube. You can do anything. I literally knew nothing about crypto a month ago, but watching Sam taught me so much. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate that. Day trading is daydreaming. I could day trade, but you have to, it takes all your time. It's super crazy. Honestly, I've done it before live on the live stream. I believe very strong in T-Cake. I do too, man. I do too. I do too. We'll take a look at our SafeMoon chart just because, why not? Falling off. Damn, man, look at that. Dripping out. Holding that previous low, though. It still isn't the bullish divergence, though, established. It really is, but come on now. Let's look at that daily. 4 hours in our favor. Extremely oversold. Double bottoming there, too. So, to me, that's just your low point before a big break to the upside. This suggests that we're going to go all the way back up here. And kill some zeros. So, SafeMoon isn't done yet, is what the TA is telling us. And it's done this many, many times before. When we go back into the past of SafeMoon, it makes these giant, giant wedges. Looks like it's falling. It kind of drips again, and then boom. We're kind of right there right now. We're doing that last little drip. It did it here again, and then we boom. It did it there again, and boom. So it seems to be its MO. Is this like curved? See, it's gonna like curve up right here and then make its move up out of the pattern. Just seems it's done it right there. It's done it right there. And it's pumped and dumped many times. Like it's gone up all the way and come all the way back down. Gone up all the way, come all the way down. Gone up all the way. It's done it like 5 times now. Look. Each one bigger than the last. Up, all the way back down. Up, all the way back down. Even below that one. Up, all the way down. Even that little up and down. Up, all the way down. So, yeah. Solve. Just topped up my credit card. What do you think about Hint? Can you take a look at peek at its TA? Let's take a look at SRK. Yeah, for sure. We can take a look at SRK. SRK. Spark Point, man, on KuCoin. I love this coin. I really do. I think it's going to do great things. Wow. I can't believe it did that, though. Yikes. I mean, you don't even need to pull a Fibonacci. That's 100% retracement. I pull a Fib just to kind of play games with you guys. But look, it 100% all the way back to itself, right? 100% retracement. Started. That's crazy that it would start all the way up, get all the way to 2.5 cents, and then get pounded all the way back down. I mean, that's tells me there's some insiders who are like freaking out. This is what I think happens. They allocate it to the team. The team gets the coin. It goes up. They love it. They love it. Then it starts going down. They're like, well, they need some salary because they took the coin instead of salary. So then they need to sell off. Then it pumps up a little bit, and then they need to sell. Next thing you know, all the employees just need to get something out of it. And then the last employee is like, oh, no. I suggest it looks like insider trading to me because at one point retail starts to buy up low prices. Right? But this is someone on the other end who got it for free and needs to live off of it. So they got to sell it off. I don't like the TA right now. I don't like the strength. I don't like the position. Again, I do like to buy things that are extremely low. But there's a difference between buying a horse with a sprained ankle and a calf that will never walk again, if you know what I'm saying, right? Like, could this never get up again? I mean, it is double bottoming. It's breaking above the moving average. The moving average is getting tight. That's suggesting a great place to enter the trade. It really is. I'd like to see it break above this, break above the 200, use the 200 as support, and that's where I would like to get in. I like to wait to see that there's more substantial evidence that the trade will go in my favor, right? Day trading 2 years ago without a mentor equals a 20K loss. Today, trading skills with a mentor and tutoring sessions making back the 20K and heading towards the first goal of 200K this year. I love it, man. I love these. I love these. Thank you so much for these. And I'm saying, man, I'm trying to help you change your life, right? If you think you can do it. Yeah, I mean, I'm not trying to be your best friend. You don't have to like me to tutor with me. I mean, most people do like me. But what I'm trying to say is someone can love you all they want. I'm trying to help you, right? I'm trying to help you. I get paid to help you. That's another thing. Remember that. Everyone does something for money. I get paid to help you. So my desire, I need to help you to stay in business. And I need you to make more money so you can tell other people that my services helped you. So I need to successfully help you in order for me to become a success. So I have to, for me to stay successful, I need to make all of you successful. That's how I'm making it in the world. Look at it, break down my business model. I have to make sure, and I'm saying not everyone's gonna be amazing, right? Certain people I tutor, they're gonna get caught up in life, they're gonna get pregnant, they're gonna get married, they may not follow everything I say. So not everyone's guaranteed. But if you stick with me and you do the due diligence and you really want it, I don't see how anything's stopping you. I'm just a catalyst to where you're going. I'm just helping you get where you need to go. Really. So think about it. There's a lot of businesses out there. My business, it only accelerates and only becomes successful if you guys become successful. If everyone I tutor just says nothing happened, then they're going to say, hey, this guy really didn't do much for me. Right? So that's why whenever I'm sitting here in front of somebody, I tell myself to put in 110%. I don't care how tired, I don't care what I've been through, I don't care what my day is going on. Right then and there with that person, I'm giving them 110% of my energy, of my knowledge. I want them at that next level. And honestly, it benefits me. Now I have 5 people in my room that are admins that help other people. right? Tenacious Tim now is in there just doing amazing things. Like the guy came in, like I didn't even know him from Adam 2 months ago. He's in there, look, go in the beginner's room at any moment in time. And look, you're going to see a Tenacious Tim in there talking, doing his thing. You know, now there's no Tenacious Tim. But wow, you guys beginners are, I can't believe how active this this chat is getting. But yeah, I mean, you could see, man, he's posting charts, he's helping people. He's in there. It's now I can't find one today. There he is right there, TT, Tenacious Tim. But yeah, he learned from me, and now he's going in, right? So it's pretty interesting, right? Get free OnlyFans access. Ha, ha, ha. It looks like Tezos has the upside down head and shoulders, and it's ready to jump. What do you say? It's possible. Trying to find out how much 100. It's hard too. These coins, man. Trying to find out how much of the coin you have, or where's the coin at, or what's going on with the coin. I got 100x because it said it was connected to a an NFL character, right? So I'm like, all right, 100x coin, our way to 1 billion market cap and beyond, right? Join 13,000 holders in 100x coin for the first crypto influencer owned meme coin on Binance Smart Chain. As Fine stole a BNB from me, and I love my BNBs. Like I keep them like so close to me. That upsets me to beyond belief. It really does. You better give my BNBs back, Fine. You better. You better one day make good on those BNBs. I'm coming for you, Mr. Beast. I keep trying to load the 100x token. Won't happen for me. I don't know about you guys. Take a look. Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, that's the... Anyway. Oh my gosh. I can hear myself. I'm about to say, I heard the phone twice. That's why. All right. Transparent dev, great community. Yeah, I like the 100x token. I can't seem to load it on pancakeswap today. I put the contract address, nothing. Nothing. Sometimes, oh, you know what? I've noticed though, which I didn't notice before, but I noticed yesterday that KuCoin will show you what you have. Usually KuCoin will show you what you have in the coin. We need a place where we can just put every single thing we have. So yield goat finance now, that's the new thing. 100x. It should show you what you have in there, but look, it says I don't have any. Oh, I'm not connected. That's why. Yeah. It should show me how much 100x token I have. I think I put like $200-300 in it. So 386. So I kind of have exactly what I put in there. Doing all right though. It's making higher highs. It's kind of making a nice move. Not dumping too much. Coming back up and down. That's a bit of a look. Shoulder, head, shoulder breaking on out. So that's forming a shoulder, head, and a right shoulder. I like that right off the bat. 100x token. Oh. Okay. It's 12:42, guys. Wow, we gotta end the stream. It's a little out of control. So, I gotta end the stream. I gotta run out, man. My day's crazy right now. I had no idea I got this late. We started the stream a little late, so I get it. I get it. So that's why I ended up pushing it. I do this for me as much as I do this for you guys as well. Helps me just stay on track. Helps me follow the market. Bake is one of the biggest winners of the day, up 74%. Bake is the highest gainer of the day. 74% gains for Bake. Highest gainer of the entire market. Bake. Look at that. On my list, the biggest winner, really, of all big coins. Zilliqa. I want to talk about Zilliqa right now. I love my Zilliqa. I've been holding Zilliqa since about 5 cents and 6 and 8 cents. Now, there was an amazing news for Zilliqa. I put it in the... look at this. This is really interesting. Exciting game-changing partnerships underway with personalities like legendary striker Diego Costa, Premier League winner Ruben Diaz, Golden Boy João Felix, Diego Jota, Championship League winner Keylor Navas, and Benvenido El Tigre Radamel Falco and James Rodriguez. Guys, these are soccer players, right? Zilliqa and soccer players equals money, guys. So I just got to put that on your radar, man. Zilliqa doing some amazing things. It had news with soccer, bro. I mean, that's what's really going to change the game. Huge, huge gameplay here. And so Zilliqa, you know, what it did is forming this rising wedge, which was doing really beautiful. This is the story for most coins. Was going to break out into a parabolic way, and everything was going to kind of continue to run. It created the breakout. It made everyone believe, oh yeah, there's a breakout of a rising wedge. They all piled in, and then it dumped Bitcoin on us. We got double bottomed here. Fell out of the pattern, but now we're in the falling wedge. And we had to break out of the falling wedge, which we did. Got above the moving averages. On the 1 hour, we're about to have a golden cross, which is that 50-day crossing the 200-day. The 21 crossing the 200 is a big deal as well. Zilliqa, and it's going to make it back to that previous all-time high, which isn't too far from here at 25, and it's going to be on its way. So Zilliquam, my favorite coin, and one of my favorite coins, and it's oversold on the daily, just starting to peak on out. So look for this to continue to the upside. Zilliqa USDT. Zilliqa USDT, man. All right. Cody BTC. Here's another BTC pair that I'm in right now. Gonna make some BTC off the Cody. It did really well here. Boomed on out, right? This is our first big move. Looped up into a cup. Formed this. This is a cup and handle, even though it's strange. Look, cup and crazy handle, right? But it will break on out. I want to see it get above this resistance here. And I'd like to see a candle close above this resistance at about 63 Satoshi, 630 Satoshi, 663 Satoshi, sorry. And then continue to the upside. My target is all the way up here at 1325 Satoshi. So once I double my Bitcoin, I'm probably going to be selling it. But that's the plan. I'm in this, and I'm going to ride it up until I get to the promised land. All right. Just wanted to show you the trades. Here they are right here. Not up huge right now, but they're up all right. Cody BTC. Got into them a long time ago. Up 91 and 68, and we're going to ride it out. Bought at 631 sats and 614 sats, and we're going to continue to ride this out up to 1,300 Satoshi. So I'm in Cody BTC. I'm in 1 BTC. I am in Phantom BTC, and I am in Atom BTC. I am trading these coins. I'm also in ADA BTC. I'm also in REN BTC. I'm also in PNT BTC. I'm also in Kava BTC. These are the BTC pairs that I am trading. Okay. I announced this not too long ago to let everybody know. I want to take a look at Refinance too before we get on out of here. Reef doing its thing. I got a pennant on Reef, and it's looking really, really nice. This is your buy zone for Reef, technically. I mean, that's it. Double bottom action right there. A bit of bullish divergence on a smaller time frame. 1 hour's in our favor. 4 hours probably oversold like everything else. Look, they're all in the same place. It's so funny. So I say we just go more sideways here. The 4 hour suggests that, and then we break on out. But you can see it's forming a bowl right there, and we're in a bigger bowl here. I could put this whole thing in a bowl. It's consolidating very nicely. Look for Reef to break to the upside. Once it comes out of this triangle, big moves for Reef. And then it's going to be in price discovery and not have much to deal with as well. They just got to get their ish together. That kind of whack news with Alameda it really did take a bit of a dump there. Things were going really well until that happened. But I still like where Reef's at. I like the consolidation, and Reef will get back to that all-time high, all the way up here. It will. Mark my words. I said it here on the live stream. You guys, maybe think I'm nuts, but yes, 663% gains out of Reef. I would not sell my Reef. I still hold all the Reef that I got way back here, and I'm going to continue to hold it regardless of what goes on. Also, mine some Reef with Cake, so I got 15,000 free Reef, about $600 worth of Reef, and we're ready to rock. So I'm holding my Reef bag, not getting rid of it, and I like Reef. All right, guys, we're going to sign off for the end of the day. Thank you guys so much. We're going to take a look at that. Thank you for all the super chats. Much respect to everybody that threw in a bone to help the kid stay afloat in the game. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Yeah, right, get real. Hey, boss, did you buy a new house? No, I did not buy a new house. What makes you think I bought a new house? Ape swap exploding. So glad I got in right in time. Football players, soccer players. You guys are funny, man. Yes, it's a good day to you, mixed match. Soccer. Nano about to do big damage from 7 to 20 incoming. Then all-time high, 40.
Okay.
What's going on?
Huh?
What's going on?
She's saying you told her Frosty the Snowman was real, and and it's not nothing.
This is ridiculous. Is that really? Like,
That's what's going on there.
oh, so look, previous high here. We fell below it, double top. Now we're holding the previous high. I'm telling you guys, these previous high points, these angles here, they tend to come back in time. So that is going to be your position of strength to get into Nano, honestly. Nano at $8. And I do see Nano breaking up and getting back to this all-time high here at $14. Not too long from now. Wow, Nano went to 14 on April 18th. I didn't even realize that. You know what's funny? Someone gave me 100 free Nano when it was $1 on the live stream. I could go look back and find the live stream where I got 100 Nano. And yes, shout out to him because it's now $800 and sitting on my phone. Much respect, bro. He's like, I'll give you Nano right now. And I was like, okay, I'll download a Nano wallet. And I got the Nano wallet and he let me. I lost my mom recently. I'm in good practice to the Cox family. Sorry to hear that, man. Thanks for another great day. I'll hit the waves today with great coins in the bags and confidence to know they are winners. Yeah, you will, man. And don't sell those bags, bro. Hold on to those bags, Crypto Greg. She's in need of some prayers, if you could. All right, everybody. We're going to have a little prayer session here for Robert Cox's his mother, I believe, or his grandmother. I'm not sure. It's one of the two. I believe it's if it's grandmother, because he says grandma a lot. Dear Lord, please keep Robert Cox's grandmother as healthy and safe as possible. If she does tend to pass, help her passing be peaceful and calm, and let her come back to the light and live her eternal life in greatness. And I hope Robert is okay dealing with the ups and downs of the pain. And thank you so much for everything you're going through, guys. Robert, and sharing it with us. You share your stories with us. So that's what I'm thanking you for. And yeah, I hope everything works out, man. I hope everything works out. And, there's a plan for us all, whether we realize it or not. And I think some of it has something to do with after this life. So, shout out to you, man. All right, guys. And with that, we're going to run out on this live stream. Thank you guys so much for being here. Thank you so much for sharing your most precious asset with me, and that is your time. We'll be back tomorrow to rip it up again for another beautiful live stream at 9:30 a.m. Thank you guys so much for being here. At the end of every stream, we say crypto is life. And she raised me like a mom. That hurts, bro. I'm with you, bro. I'm with you, man. I feel your pain, dude. My wife lost her father in COVID, and it was tough, man. My father-in-law was a great man. All right, everybody, I love you. I'll see you on my tutoring sessions later on today, and have a wonderful, wonderful time. And remember, if you came to my channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.